nice. You understand? St. Thomas now can literally, the St. Thomas people can say, look, me can go on a JUTC bus, go pay $100 for my bus fare because this is what this government is doing.
70 with the card, 70 with the card.
You understand? And I'm not going there, I'm talking about the people without the cards, as you mentioned, King. The St. Thomas people, if you use a card, as what King said, you're going to pay $70 for bus fare. What more do you want? And yet still we have so much more to offer to the people of St. Thomas. We have so much more to offer to the people of Portmore. Because guess what? This caring government that we have now, the people of Portmore, this government is coming for you. This government is coming to uplift Portmore, to make Portmore the 15th parish of Jamaica. What this government is doing, the greater Portmore Health Center that is now, the government is going to transform that health center in a 2-story building where a lot of surgeries and so many things. Government is going to make a 1 million square feet of business spaces in Portmore. There's so many things that this government is doing for Portmore. And guess what? Not only Portmore, Portland, this government is coming for you. There is so much things that this government is doing. 8 hospitals. This government is either they're building new ones or they're repairing the hospitals that the
refurbishing.
You understand? That the PMP mash up the Cornwall Regional Hospital, that the PMP desert and mash up. You understand? But then I can remember in 2015 when this man called himself Dr. Draws, on national TV, and this man, this is what his word. It is so bad where the government now do nothing at all for the doctors. The doctors has to be using scandal bag as apron, and then now they're coming to talk about they care about Jamaicans. The same PMP, we're gonna say them care about the farmers. They didn't even do 100 roads in all the time that they were there, and this government in one term did 100 roads. Oh, you can compete with that. When they're coming and talking all kind of shit, they're coming and talking about our prime minister have this and our prime minister have that. Nobody at all knows what Mark Golden have. Mark Golden could take $34 million and donate in Bahamas, making houses for the Bahamians. You understand? And Jamaicans in his constituency building a tear down, pan them up there. That is the same Mark Golden when you see a rundown. The same Mark Golden when Meshach Lewis lose him house. That is the same Mark Golden when Meshach Willis. When Meshach Willis.
Tell them who Meshach Willis is.
And the man take a loan from the bank. So this man take a loan of 400,000. This man, when him got the bank say more $7 million. And the man take one house. The church come and say to them, say, listen, let us pay this off for you. Let me pay it off. Me, I go buy the house for you. The bank said, no, them not do it because they already sell it. That's how evil the PMP is. That's how
sell it for less than what him owe.
And this man could never get back his house. This man now live on Tree Road. If you don't want to see this poor man, that where PMP mash up the people in a Mandeville, where the PMP, the people them have to hang themselves after them open them business and them business are gone. So because I interest rate lick them under them caca clot. Because what PMP do, the people them have to shut down them damn place.
Yes,
the PMP is evil. The PMP don't work. Not
Lord, my brother.
I can tell you guys this. If you guys want a Jamaica that you can live in, if you guys want a Jamaica that you can be proud of when you go overseas, if you guys want a Jamaica to be the Jamaica that you want your children and grandchildren to live in, this is the government. This is the government that cares about you. This is the government that loves you. This is the government that is doing so much for young people where you not even can find them girl pan back
Hold
road
on
and get
there.
sell crutches.
Hold on the
This
boss.
is the
Make him
same
land.
government
Make him
that
land.
Beg
love
him all
us.
the
So
peace, man.
guys,
Beg him all the
when
peace, man.
our
We know,
prime minister
we
call
understand
the
that. Beg him all
election,
the
make
peace,
sure you get 10 people with you. Figure go cast your ex beside the bell. Milan right there, so I can ask the guys in this in the box. Please say something what you have learned about what happened. The prime minister said yesterday. How do you think, this is my question to you, how do you think what the prime minister said will affect? What is the effects that this will have on the Jamaican people? Start with Plank. Go ahead.
Go ahead, man. Skip me. Me at work. Me go on money
Yeah.
tight for you. Go and go get some water.
Well, yeah, because boy, I understand that you go hard and that the fact, but me can tell you, me I know old somebody born in the 80s. Me can tell you, say, my mother would I go to school on a bad road. Me live at St. Thomas. St. Thomas, I just say St. Thomas at the parish way. The only good thing people that talk about St. Thomas, apart from the Hobia and the bath. I'm gonna say, oh, me like go bath fountain. That's only thing. But everything else, St. Thomas, oh, me, if 10 years ago, if land agree at St. Thomas with 5,000, nobody no want it. Because nobody no want to live at St. Thomas.
True.
Sturge Island moved from St. Thomas because of the bad road. Right? And me, see Andrew is come at St. Thomas and him promise St. Thomas the best. And me tell you something. I want to run out of my high to see St. Thomas now are the place where everybody wants to be. When we stand up and look on the road, me come from in the hills of Cedar Valley, and we stand up and look on the road. When me drive go to school pan bad, come out left from school bad, and all of that and them something they do. Tears come here yesterday when Friday. Not saying we don't know say that seat over St. Thomas was a strong PMP hole, but I believe say no PMP should be at St. Thomas. Everybody have them right for and they own opinion and who vote for. But I don't believe say St. Thomas should be a parish where no PMP, no have no control.
True.
This government, I'm not talk about GLP. Because me as a GLP, but me not talk about GLP, me talk about Andrew Wellness. Because Andrew Wellness is not PMP, Andrew Wellness is not GLP. Andrew Wellness is for the people. And that me like about him. Look on St. Thomas. JUTC bus around go St. Thomas shortly. Look at it. Nobody can change my mind from being a Labourite. And if me the overseas and when the election,
Well, that must be a Labour, right?
ticket and come vote. I mean, man.
Yes. That must be a Labour, right, my brother.
The moment let me tell you something. You see people them, you see, we don't watch kind of people say, well, Andrew not go win. Andrew this, Andrew. Listen, it's the working class people. And them are the people who see the potential in the government and feel comfortable with the government. And the people who now work, where you used to the handout and just say, well, parish council collect money and the fast pretend because they don't work for it, and them people there. And Jamaica now have 3/4 of Jamaica, no work list. So they look a fool work this one and the lazy one them not gonna make up the numbers for make Angelos. So we not reflect upon them. What we need to do is to focus on more job creation, which is that thing I do. Fix up the road them, get the people in water. Watch it by next year. Mark goal enough to go maybe going. Cause all them get up on the video tell lie.
You learn?
Yeah man, yeah, land. Cause I have to give somebody a space now.
Yeah,
Close your mic when you stop, my boss.
Yeah, I'm going to make him jump because we have people down there waiting.
Right.
All right. King.
Go ahead, King. Your time.
Yes.
Thank
So
you,
now-
Kizzy.
Now that the PM said he's going to remove red tape and bureaucracy that's stopping everything in Jamaica, you're going to see how Jamaica grow faster. You're going to see when you remove even that GTT of electricity, how much people are going to benefit. And that is going to go across the board. They're going to work on businesses so you can lower the cost of energy. They get more manufacturing, more jobs, more investments, and it's just a virtual cycle of prosperity. The PM is always talking about this, right? The virtual cycle of prosperity, productivity, prosperity. And we keep going in circles until we grow and pivot. And I can't wait.
Hey, tell my
to
friend
see
King
that.
attack. King,
So
my
you
friend
think it's
that.
talking forward to the rural transportation for the kids. And I can't wait to see what's going to happen with JUTC when Morant B Urban Center is up and running. They're going to get Knutsford Express. Never before in the history of St. Thomas. They never see something like that before. They can take the Knutsford from St. Thomas straight to Montego Bay, people. Look at this. KFC, Mother's, Juicy Beef, Burger King. The most modern courthouse in the Caribbean. Yeah, the first university. JLP is giving St. Thomas their first university. Can you believe that? 62-year-old Jamaica and no university in St. Thomas.
King, I'll say this, yeah? St. Thomas, Eastern St. Thomas to be specific, because for most part of my teenage years, I used to be in Eastern St. Thomas a lot. There was, in my opinion, yeah, other than the factory I don't know even if it's still in operation, that used to be
The
in
good
Duck
year.
End Field.
The good year now.
No. That run a Duck End Field, me attack.
Factory,
Huh?
the sugar factory.
The sugar factory. Yes.
No,
Other
it's
than
no
that,
longer there.
it's
It's
no,
no
that's
longer
what I'm
there.
saying. That and
Yeah.
I'm saying that during my teenage years, that other than that factory, there was no the people them
Nothing.
devastate.
It was mosquito and what the little flies that bite hot.
They had to migrate to Kingston. That's and it caused brain drain for St. Thomas people. Brain drain.
Listen, man. If you want to, if you want to see what St. Thomas is, because now you have a lot of persons when know, them just see maybe and hear, but yeah, I think you have a lot of people in Jamaica who have never been to St. Thomas. Beautiful landscape, very
It is
beautiful landscape.
beautiful.
You have the
I can tell
mountains.
you.
It look very much to Portland, except
Portland, their
St.
neighbor
Thomas.
Skizzy.
St.
except
Thomas have some of
except
the
that
prettiest beaches. Trust
except
me.
that there is no development. So people always say Portland untouched. If you don't want to see a parish that is untouched,
St. Thomas.
check out St. Thomas.
is untouched.
St.
It
Thomas
untouched.
is and it is a vast parish, very big.
Yes. I see some drone videos since they start to the road. I'm like, wow, St. Thomas is so beautiful. Me look at me and say, Jamaica this. People always talk about Portland. Take a look at St. Thomas people if you think a lie we are tell.
It's no joke. I remember me a Portlander, so me not
Exactly.
grow the
Portland's still
thing.
nice. We have a blue lagoon. We have a nice beach.
It is not even.
Mama
It is not
Cheryl,
even.
it's not a competition,
It is not even like we are doing a comparison.
competition.
But there was. I don't know. Me know Portland people left Portland all the time. Go look for better. So me can just imagine what happened out at St. Thomas.
No, give me some meat.
Yes, so me go land there, so I make somebody else talk, yeah?
Hold on the king. Hold on the king. Go along, mama. Your time. Go on.
You don't remember, so the PMP have East Portland for 18 years and we only have a track. You understand? I know we have road. It's not complete, but we have road in East Portland. And Anne-Marie, things moving. She out there and she's working hard. And them lazy PMP have it for 18 years and look what Anne-Marie do in such a short time. A round of applause for Anne-Marie Vaz, please. Yeah. And that's what my little 2 cents for now.
All right, Carla, back to you, Carla, because we did skip the line. Plank, make the line skip. Back to you, Carla. Your take on what the Prime Minister said. Yes,
The best of the best, the best of the best.
I mean, no, say that
Me
Carla
not
go
think
say.
no prime minister with me I grow with, but yeah, the people say see I go do. Never in a them time they have much sense. But me see prime minister here do them trip rules. We couldn't see what him for do. But them can't treat that one here. So we see what him a do.
You know, Cuban said earlier that there should be no PNP
Yes, Kizzy, your
St.
turn
Thomas. I say rural Jamaica should lift up Andrew Holness. Yeah, Dr. Andrew Michael Holness, and summer we fit put him foot in a bad pan and wash it. And I don't compare him to Jesus. It's just the mere fact say rural Jamaica has never seen this amount of attention from no government in the history of Jamaica. Rural Jamaica is finally seeing development. And I listened when the Prime Minister was speaking. I think it was at the next chapter. And he was laying out the plans for each parish, which we clearly see, right? And he said it. They're starting in St. Thomas with the new urban center. Portland go and get theirs. Negril go and get theirs, and on to the next, on to the next. It is how you develop a country. And if you're somebody who travels or travel around and get the opportunity to go to other islands, you will see that every parish, every lick up, no care it small, the island is, development is a must. You understand? And each parish in Jamaica have its own unique identity and what it has to offer. And if we want to build out the country the right way to have, somebody say, oh, we're going to get better when we want to produce nothing. You don't worry about that. We will soon produce what we need to produce, right? But it is a fact that there is no government that has been as kind to rural Jamaica as this government. And for that, rural Jamaica go stand up for Andrew Holness. Don't take on a direction from Kingston and St. Andrew. Trust and believe that.
True.
Alton, your turn. Go ahead, Alton, your turn.
Why my heart is so full. I enjoy listening to you because everything when you talk the same thing I was gonna talk. But I big up my Prime Minister. God has made him born too. When I leave Jamaica, Andrew was 2 years old. And I'm telling you, when I go back and see Jamaica under Andrew, I think I'm in Florida. So you keep on going. I'm listening to you, all right? You can't keep talking. I'm listening to you.
Jody? Unmute your mic.
Okay, so all right, so yesterday, Kizzy, you're talking about Kizdon. You said the rural communities, but let me tell you something. We could come back in a Kingston, man. Remember the road them in a town that squeeze up, Look and go up Constant Spring and them road, over broaden them out. You can't just do like say town never say. Town life matter to man. Cause town is a pleasure to come and you're stuck in a traffic at town for days. Uncertain drive, no way free flow. You have to remember that under week is done. All right. So
listen. But listen. Who know if you talk about what happening in Kingston, And yes, I am fully aware. But all I am saying is that country parishes never used to get no attention from government. None at all. Country parishes never used to be seen.
None at all. So, but me just highlight say, town get liquor touch up to man. Town commander. Major transformation.
Right now.
You remember this,
Right.
Eddie Thiago started with them. Eddie Thiago, he started. You remember? Eddie Thiago, he started.
No, as him just let me through. Give me a talk. So I'm from Western St. Thomas, right? I spent my 43rd birthday yesterday at a conference because yesterday me spent my birthday at a conference. So I have never seen last year and this year, I now do it again. Because I walk from Stanton Terrace to the National Arena last year. And I walk from not to the National Arena last year. Awesome turnout. With St. Thomas Morant Bay High School and under the PMP administration. And when I go Morant Bay High School, me used to stand up from bus, go straight to Morant Bay. Good year was the final stop. Yes, a couple years of going into Morant Bay High School, every factory locked down. Good year locked down, the t-shirt factory, them a poor man's corner locked down, because you have the bus empty come out, and you have the bus empty come from Bull Bay, with the factory, Bull Bay, you have the bus empty, poor man's corner, pick up again, move to Good year, pick up again. Eastern Banana locked down. The sugar place locked down, the one of the t-shirt factory, they move and locked down. You understand what I say? I saw St. Thomas go right down the drain under Anthony Hilton, who run the west, and up at 6-star General Fenton Ferguson. Nothing at all never happened to St. Thomas. It come like only the good thing. They come at St. Thomas, I will be not there St. Thomas. Let me tell you this again. Under the PMP, I went to my best school, and that's where I spent my formative years. Under PMP administration, me a nice, clean young girl. Yes, so when Friday time come, PMP, I run money, I run and no work, no get done. This a drain for bill and not drain no bill. Come to have nice, clean contractor, PMP, man. You understand me? I say no work, no get done, and drain pay for. Nobody not supervise no farmer work and money run. Listen to me, no man. Me young and nice and clean them time, no man. Go ahead, let me hear you.
One lady in St. Thomas I get 40,000 and under the People's National Party. And she
nothing not done. Nothing. So no wonder that's why they have the mentality for free.
Zion boy, make you land now, Zion boy, and then you come in contact, brother.
Zion boy, when she finish, it's your turn. Once she finish, it's your turn.
Go on, mama.
Yes, so back in them days, no work, no done, no drain, no clean, no drain, no build, no road, no fix, nothing at all. We don't have the water. Which part me come from known for Black Road. My Black Road for years just so water under the PMP. Since our liquor administration and we get James Robertson, I have to big up to my MP now, because my MP office door never lock yet. I'm the only MP office where you can walk in on Monday to Friday and the door is open and you go get assistant, Mr. James Robertson, and we'll lobby for a change. We get the nice clean Yalas Bridge. We get a good leg of road here from China Harbor. You understand? We have water flushing. A lot of our community have water flushing. We don't have water problem. A lot of our back road them, because we do a major farming. A lot of we look back road them, off road them, we can drive to our place free. You know, so we are come out and demonstrate and that because our MP champion our cause. Over Eastern St. Thomas Magana, no come do the whole of the time. I'm at best school, I'm go school up there. So listen, not done up there. So no PMP should don't want to have nothing to do with Eastern St. Thomas, you know. Because Fenton have enough for my legacy, you know. And what they bank on was what Pernell Charles did. Oh, Pernell Charles are wicked, and him get this to do, and him dash so much in thinking that how long we go sit down and wait and debate on that. Eastern St. Thomas see the progress where I go on for them for no say alright then Lagos certain things and jump on this. When me I go to school, when me I come and work a bus, me I take no everybody I drive. Everybody I drive. I work in a financial institution and persons can come and pay them loan nicely for the past 6 years. Persons are flourish. People are build them little house. People are drive them little car. The young boy them are ride them little bike and do them little thing. People are see some farmer life. And Jamaica, they one place now where I wish them could have say PMP the ticket for Jamaica. And if we not come out on all this platform and make them not say PMP not do nothing, dog, they must suffer. Dog, they must suffer. I put things that means in place if not, no ship out, because listen, them people and they don't understand progress and they don't love development, them anti-development. And just now encourage you know who they on the live, go out and chat off on the more to everybody and try to get everybody back in this thing here. Yesterday, young people them come out yesterday. We need to hold on them. Who can go numerate? They're gonna go numerate them and do the work. Nobody live by you and go and talk because sometimes we forgot in the road and touching at the streets and the car by them and go each up and hold some conversation. Ask who no numerate yet. Bring them go get numerate. And that's the thing there. So I go jump up because I'm still there work, all right?
Talk
Because
to the St. Thomas people, them baby, because you live over there. And them you have to talk to.
I talk till my ball. Because I'm a solid worker, you know. I got conference, so I got marked there school. I'm over 20 years now, I got conference. At over 30 years, I got conference. I talk to my ball, I campaign, I book bottom, walk off, sunburn, I'm black. I do the work. I'm a zone and cluster supervisor for my little division. So I do the work. Numeration and miss from when you say you touch 18, what you have to show about. Vehicle come for your call and said I want to touch 18 and just left school. And that's how we do the badness for East to Western St. Thomas. We're keen on certain things. I see them rejoice how them win Friday for Washi. That was a PMP councillor. A PMP win. That wasn't nothing for us to have no. We don't want it, yes, but that wasn't for us to take the taking of them to get no gratification out of that. Cause PMP just dead out of the seat, bruh. So what them are going like on a big accolade. The big accolade at the urban center. But only for the little young one them are go work at daytime. You understand? That is it. So big up on yourself and on the line.
Thank you, darling. Thank you for your input and come back whenever you can.
Blessings.
Yeah, man, I'll follow the creator.
Thanks, Jody.
All right.
Diane, boy, go ahead. Your turn.
Yeah, yes, sir. Thank you. Thank you, family. Thank you very much. All right. In what she said about St. Thomas, yes, she's speaking facts, truth. When I was going to school in St. Thomas, right? I used to take Kearson bus, and if I make Kearson bus left you, dog eat your supper, right? Under the leadership of the People's National Party, we could have hardly buy sugar. We could have hardly buy sugar. We have to use $50 or sometimes $20 sugar, $30 sugar. I forget look sugar in our local bag just to make tea in the morning. Under the People's National Party. And when Pernell Charles and Edward Seaga come into St. Thomas, Edward Seaga and what name? Oh God. Pernell Charles and Seaga, yes. Them come and made a change in St. Thomas. The first win Edward Seaga win, I think that was in 1988 or somewhere around there, so Seaga win. And me not quite remember, me know that sometime like them part them. And let me tell you the honest truth, listeners. Let me tell you the honest truth. The reason I love Jamaica Labour Party, me never know about PMP, me never know about Labour, right? And the day they were passing by, and my mother said to me, say, me hear the whole pan nice. Me I wonder what kind of nice house out I would. What nice that? And my mother said to me, say, at the Jamaica Labour Party I passed. And I say, because true, me not really understand. Me I say, I the one way, the won't chop back man. That I see I me attacking a lean man. Me say, the lean man part. She said, yes. Me say, the one with green? She said, yes. Me say, me I go out there. She said, come back in the yard. No, you look boy, you can't go out there. Me go out there. And I tell him, I pick green bush. And I shake. Right? And I say, from that day until now, listeners, I'm a Labour, right? Until now, nothing change me. Nothing can change me. And a while ago, me and a youth, I feel I want to argument a while ago, you know. Because he never let me know, so yesterday, JLP conference wasn't big. It wasn't big. Mr. Listen to me. What do you mean by JLP conference never big? Are you not see it on TV? You say yes, him see it. But that wasn't a crowd to really excite over because PMP conference is big too. Mr. Whisper. Me say the only way PNP conference they big is because Vibes Cartel, they gonna get the old swell up face man. Come pushing at them same thing. You understand?
Come on, Zion.
Like, leave the
We
man make him talk.
Zion, we
Yes.
are talking
Yes.
about the achievement. We don't want you about no competition with no.
I'm not calling him
Listen to
governor.
me.
Don't make him
Listen
my
to me.
ear vice on the live.
We don't want to change it. We don't want to change the pattern. We are work with the pattern of the achievement.
All right,
And
you're
that's
talking
what
about
we
the
want here.
achievement and the prosperity.
Yeah.
All right, the prosperity.
Yeah,
All right,
we
the
don't want you
prosperity.
about no.
Let me stick
It
here.
is conference then gone
Zion,
now.
well on the plank. Zion, here what we no need to get no chasing match and back and forth with PNP about crowd size. Cause I know crowd size win election. A
True.
vote.
True.
So make we not them no make we not even bother go there. Just not pay them no mind when they matter about crowd size. Tell them say it's okay. Them just give them winnings. Cause PNP want something for win by. Give them say we know that be bigger crowd and call it a day.
Yeah, anyway. So back in that time I know different because now me have internet. Who Carson? Jamaica Labour Party put in that water there in my yard. Who Carson? Jamaica Labour Party. Me have light on my yard. Me not have to thief light no more. And the People's National Party and me that thief light, I would that thief water. We couldn't even buy clothes, we couldn't even buy underpants, we couldn't even buy brief. No at all. These are lucky things that my grandmother was a woman of dignity. She got foreign. Under the Jamaica Labour Party, she get with them kind of green card, when they want to call it, workship, how they want to call it, and she got foreign and she work under the Jamaica Labour Party. Who did that? Jamaica Labour Party, that's why I'm proud. I'm a prime minister. I love my prime minister. And prime minister is the best prime minister I've ever seen in Jamaica. PJ Patterson wasn't doing nothing for Jamaica. All that PJ Patterson do just sell. The only thing PJ Patterson left when he do a sell away. Sell the whole of Jamaica people them. If you didn't get the chance to do it, he would have sell the whole away. But thank God for Jamaica Labour Party. Thank God for you last in Shearer. Thank God for Shearer. Thank God. So big up on yourself, shower guys, and always be strong JLP supporter for JLP, and big up on yourself, shower. That's my few word.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much. Plank, go ahead and say what you're supposed to say. I mean, I know.
Zion boy.
Zion, you're so there.
Leave Zion alone and go. Plank, so we have to say that leave the man alone.
Don't leave there, oi.
Remember, I'm a 60.
Zion hey, wicked, you know. Zion say he never have underpants on the PNP.
No,
Hey,
Zion
PNP even, you know. Zion back the their door on the PNP.
Remember what Zion is. Zion, listen to the man name. The man named Zion boy. The man is revived. The man is a revivalist. He tell me what they say, man. Him tell me say what they am 60. And me tell him say me a 61.
No, 61, me tell you.
Yeah, 61.
Yeah.
All right. So Zion boy, I'm a friend, man. I truly don't know what to talk to him.
No, me don't know how.
Don't worry yourself, man.
It's all right. Don't worry yourself, man.
Can't tell you Zion.
Don't worry yourself.
Yeah, man.
So,
and you know what me that like to say? You know what me that like to say? Hold on. You know what me that like to say?
Yeah.
I like to see the people. It's like when they turn out a conference, turn out and go vote. Just
Exactly,
do it.
Zion.
Turn
That
out
is it.
and go vote. Me not talk about no campaign and no conference. I whatsoever. Me talk about the vote. Go out.
Yes.
See how like when you come out, wake up early and catch the bus. If you got a conference, get up early by 4 o'clock and go vote.
Zion, get some baking powder. Get some baking powder and mix it with baking soda and sprinkle the yard. When them dash water on the frack. So they say, oh, them. So make good friend DJ Pataya.
Go ahead, Potter. Say what is it that you have to say, Potter, because guess what? St. Thomas, I get JUTC bus to come down there.
Wala Mario. Let me big up Potter. Potter, you do a good job for your TikTok, me dan. Me love what you do. I watch you post them every day. Continue the way you do for your St. Thomas, my boy. Take him back.
Yes. I'm going to tell you some things about Western St. Thomas where we hidden treasure them where you might not know about. Okay? Let me name out the waterfalls then first. I have my Cane River Falls, I have my Grandpa Falls, and I have my Reggae Falls. That's three of my hidden treasure that we only not know about, enough people don't know about. See? I have my natural water supply. We have my sand and gravel. We are supply the whole of Jamaica. The best sand and gravel in Jamaica come from Western St. Thomas. Okay. Now, me have my MP, the Honorable James Robertson, who never let me down. So, I don't like how no broad brush St. Thomas when you not talk about Fenton Ferguson people. Them. Fenton Ferguson and him 28 years when he over there and not do nothing. James Robertson work, brother. So I don't want to kill the whole St. Thomas, so let's not kill Fenton. See me? Thank you now. That is me. And I not stop fight for Western St. Thomas. Land me land plan.
Me just basically, yes, me St. Thomas boss. Me just basically, I try jumping back. I must say Grandpa Fall and Reggae Fall, but did you know that you have Copra Fall in same place as St. Thomas? We have a fall, Richmond Fall, very nice fall, and you have Heineken that is in Riverhead, very nice big water. The same water where I run go to town in the Mona, out of that river. I come from a Reggae White River. Good
Cuban,
fall.
I probably know how they sit down.
Oh, you have to check.
Me look construction, is it?
Oh, me like out of tire shop. Tyrone.
Same way. Not Tyrone, it's when I select that. It's not the manager, when I select that.
We know what you're talking, man. You're bridging, you and him play up. Him come from Somerset there.
Two player talk or Jackstein, which one?
Richmond, me a Richmond man, yeah.
Alright, brother. Well, I want to win this.
Alright, one love, brother. Is me. We have to just keep up the good work, seeing. I respect everybody, seeing. They are checking.
Only Mike, one done, Kizzy done.
You know me a beg. You know me want to elaborate, Panto. Because I know say we Prime Minister always listen. One good thing more we Prime Minister do. I get back over here line. But dying for the day.
Don't worry yourself, me done. It's in the making.
Things is coming,
It's
brother.
it's in the making, man. Just
Yeah, man,
where you grow with your grandmother?
Yeah, man.
Where granny tell about tenancy?
Not spoil the interference.
No, man, you're wrong, man.
Before you take care of the sky.
Oh, okay.
Tenancy.
Okay, yeah.
Tenancy not boil
No dance. Only interference.
All right, cool.
Listen
All I
again.
want to say is below St. Thomas people, but I'm panel live. I am really happy to hear St. Thomas come out. People that represent St. Thomas really and truly. It is a breath of fresh air because me tell the labor right them said don't cuss and talk about people at St. Thomas. One thing me know what PNP do, and it's a strategy for them. You see the parish centers. Anyway, the parish centers there, this them place a lot of focus on, and this are them always them strong support. And because of that, the rest of the parish feel like say, you know, we can't win because you know if any part of that parish you live in, when you travel in, yeah, you always have to do everything in the town center. So it's like you almost see the development there. So it give you a feeling like the whole parish is like that. When you live in like a community, you go supermarket, a PNP people you see, it is a like intimidation tactic. But the people them are living at the more inner parts of the parish, when you need to stand up and defend on the parish and don't make one set of people determine the direction. So you know watch Marant B and them we are and I like Fimi Town now, Port Antonio. People them be a fool them. And them always there a parish council and line up and collect them brown envelope. Remember rural part never did a see no MP period, then they no fix no road, they don't go no water, they don't care cause them things them support Because when election, win by 3,000 or 4,000 vote, and win by 500 by the margin, 1,000 at the margin, and then that vote in the parish capital is enough, right? So them demotivate those who live in the inner parts of the parish because them concentrate on one set of people, and at them they are the benefit, at them alone benefit. So no have to come out deeper and live in the parish, come out and support the MP. Come out and vote for the Jamaica Labour Party and don't be intimidated by PNP tactics. We see it.
You don't talk, Kizzy?
Yes.
St. Thomas was my playground every year because the company where we used to work with, we used to have a fun day for the beach, like I said.
Talking, and brother.
You know, boss me cover on TikTok, Kizzy.
Look here. No,
King.
me nah bust your cover, but you can't uno incognito profile enough for going a box with it. That enough know.
No,
You
I
don't know
know
what
that.
go
I
on,
know that.
Kizzy.
I don't know what go on.
You don't know what go on.
You know what go on? My woman always dep on TikTok and listen to me,
Listen,
But you
do
see
not
this
compare
morning.
with your private business. We don't want to hear
No,
your private.
listen to me, man. This not private. I think it up on. When me and King are toast this morning about Philippian. And me say me meet Philippian in a real life. Brass flat. Kizzy there get a piece of bus ass. Oh, flat.
If you have weak woman plank and weak woman and
No,
shaky woman,
no, she
you
don't
have to
weak.
left TikTok alone.
No, you don't know how it go, man. You don't know how it go.
And because you love flirt, you ever want to expose the plank to all of the girl them.
No, she don't me not do that.
See,
Real life. When me say me meet the female in real life.
So what wrong with that?
Selena, what's up, Selena?
No, she feel like somebody there, Jamaica.
Anyway, panel, and the 129 people where they panel so. May I ask you to do something for those who don't know? Please Google Reggae Falls, St. Thomas, and look for
We know Reggae
I have
Falls,
been
man.
there. I have
Yeah,
We
the
know
picture.
Reggae Falls, man.
Everybody know Reggae Falls, DJ Pata. We are talking about Selena, Justice for Melissa Silvera, yes.
Kizzy, if you've been there, you drive right past me gate.
DJ Pata, I've been there. Of course, I've been there. Look here, I'm telling you something. No tourists not enjoy my country more than me, When me there Jamaica, me live the tourist life. I believe in that.
St. Thomas soon get hotel and them thing there, brother. So you don't know what happen. People are gonna see how beautiful St. Thomas is.
But my brother Jovi said we labor rights must snap out of this fickle business. What kind of fickle business you talk about, Jovi? The emotional aspect,
Jovi.
when they ever upset because they don't get one shirt, because the MP you can lick out them plate and sling at them yard.
Hey, Selena, good morning, my darling. How you doing?
Good boy, I mean, no. This one is one governor. All right. Good morning. Good afternoon, one governor.
Good afternoon, Selena.
I just wanted to know if you found Mario's voice.
Yes, we did. You should have heard him earlier. He was preaching the gospel.
Preaching the gospel.
Maria, you can share my box if anybody interested here.
So what do you? I will piss in a Sue conflict. So what do you?
I'm there, man. I'm there for the world.
Kizzy, I watch a long time today now.
You want to share my
Sue, a
box?
peer propaganda she has spread.
Come here, listen to him.
So we need some justice for Melissa.
Sue come in at the box, contact to it, Sue. What do you put on the internet at chip out? Are they recording the live?
Yeah. I just I say something and jump out again. Me basically invite one of our councillor and also member of parliament. So me just come off a live call him. The councillor of the Trinityville division that I in St. Thomas. Him go join us shortly, so his name is Mr. Jones. Yeah.
Dean Jones.
Yeah. I'm saying him dep on the road now, but him go join us shortly. So Mr. James maybe see me, please, my neighbor. Mr. Jones. Just take me out.
Okay.
Cool.
Tell him to send the request.
Welcome, Mr.
Send the
Jones.
request, Mr. Jones.
Come through, Mr. Jones. Send the request. Click on the box, but where box are empty for him? No box not empty.
Let me go. Let me go.
May I get one? No, may I get one?
Selena, come back. Where you run go? Hey, Selena.
Governor, come back. Selena.
Selena, where you gone? Who tell you to jump? Who don't love jumping?
Governor gone and Selena gone.
No. Governor is still here.
One box
Selena did
here
him, man.
empty.
Let me see if I find. Let me see if I find him. I'm not seeing Mr. Jones. Mr. Jones, please click on the box. Come join us, please. When they? Human, when they?
Dean, where are you, Dean Jones?
Click on the box that's empty. That's a request. All right, me see one request.
All right, special request.
No, not you.
Not you.
Not you, Mr. Swell. Mr. Swell, hold on. Just hold on. We soon bring you up. We have to save one box to Mr. Jones. Cuban, tell him to click the box now.
Maybe him get a call, I'm not sure. Because I mean, just step on the live. Just hold on, he maybe come back up shortly.
Cuban, me see a couple names down there.
Yeah, Mr. Dean Jones.
Okay.
I don't think he get a call or something. Like he's saying deep kind of. So he maybe soon come up back. So you can go and talk and tell him forward.
Danny, new gent is a dregs. Come out of the comment section with the foolishness. Remember say when that tried demonize the man in a local government election and video evidence mash up on us on lies. We never know so the full video out there. Remember?
Make we hear what Mr. Sewell say. Sewell.
Yes, my boss.
Yeah, boss your gun.
Yeah, man, a 44-year-old Mr. Sewell is one of Eastern St. Thomas. And first, I ever really hear, sit down and hear people talking about St. Thomas like this, my father. I mean, I lie you.
Blessings.
Yeah, man, I'm so happy to hear this, my boss. Honestly.
You know, just do the right thing out there. Spread the word.
We not them, you know.
No, you live out there, right?
Yeah. No,
So
I'm not there now. I'm in USA.
Okay, but you still can shine the light for the people them down there. Because me there I saw talk to you. Which way you think me live?
I have an idea, my boss.
Same place where you them there.
All right.
And we are spread the word. All right. Kizzy there, Germany. King there, Europe.
Left me location out on the mouth.
You understand?
Me location. Me fly out every minute. Me got somewhere else. No know me location.
All right, Kizzy.
Well, I see something million at the island neither. But we have to do what we do.
Yeah, you understand?
Real.
I can chat. I saw them give comrade ammunition about your wife.
No, remember, Mr. Midaya, so.
Yeah, man. For real, my brother, man. I not lie, brother. East Poland, East St. Thomas are the most part of Jamaica where would I look up to as beauty in the island, brother. For real. And I'm glad me live for you really like hear people analyze it and I say, yes, it is like that for real. Understand? Because in the amount of years the PNP run, brother, St. Thomas was like a junk. You know, like when they have a big suitcase up, just fall up something and put in it, brother. Yeah, that it was like to me. So right now, I'm not lying, brother. I'm glad for you Andrew Wallace are going. But there, brother, I'm looking into everything and I see.
You have no land out of St. Thomas, sell me peace, boy.
I want to come up me for myself before that, man.
St. Thomas land can't buy again.
No, sir.
Okay.
Really,
so now for big up my Prime Minister for that. In this case,
couple millions you can get for that in a Sewell.
Kevin.
Yeah.
Well on the Kevin, me soon carry up. Well on Kevin. We are waiting for a councillor from out of St. Thomas. Just give me a minute, Kevin.
Yeah, man, a whole heap of beauty that St. Thomas, man. Whole heap of beauty, man. We're not gonna analyze and just talk about bad folk, but there are lot more places at St. Thomas where you can sit down and enjoy yourself, brother. I'm not lie. And I really like about St. Thomas to my father. No whole heap of crime that did there, brother. And this is one of the things that I want to implement in St. Thomas. So turn the thing around, we can call it me about watch. Because we don't want the crime, we don't want the whole heap of unnecessary crime at St. Thomas, brother. We don't want it, brother. That's the next thing we may point out.
No, you feel say we don't want no crime at Jamaica. We want
don't
Jamaica
want no crime at Jamaica,
crime-free.
father. Yeah, man,
You
in a real
understand me?
life.
We don't
In a
want
real
no
life.
crime at Jamaica. We want, you remember the little song we say, whoa, if we island boom.
Yes, I.
Jamaica
Yes, I.
island boom.
Yeah,
And
man.
that no.
Cuban link back Mr. Jones now and make you know so we are wait pan him.
Anyway, guys, may I jump out, you know, because I take a call, you know, so I'm many love and many prosperity to everybody.
Big up yourself, man. Follow Mario. Follow Mario.
Bless up.
Yeah, Cuban, you can actually link Mr. Robertson too as well if you can. As you said, that are joining and as well.
I'll reach out to him back, hold on.
Right.
Give me a second.
Make them know say it's a safe space. Nobody now come nobody can diss them over here. I ask them the foolishness.
You're mad.
Yeah, I'm join on the next page.
What you name on your next page? Tell me what
kill me now. Nobody kill me now, gold in my name, but my name is Mark Golden.
Okay. No, come up with the right name. Come make everyone a turn. Do. Do your thing, man. Do your thing. Do your thing. Now I wonder if you're Mark Golden in a family, you know.
No, sir. Bruce Golden.
Oh, Bruce Golden. Okay, good.
You see Mark a white man, brother. I'm not a family England.
Come in, Packer General. Come tell what you think I make us see what you have.
Cuban, don't be offended, you hear, but me go tell you what make your name Golden. Yeah, Mark Golden related to show, you know. Yeah, Mark Golden family then the one slave, and at the time there you get your ancestors get the name from their owner. So you end up be a Golden, you know, Cuban, no.
You don't go that the change. You know what tell me that.
Me I tell you, I saw you go that the history. When you get your surname based on who for slave farm you come off.
Must be
Hold on the Kizzy.
To that demand there. I want to
Hold on the Kizzy. Packer, what you say? All right. Kevin, send back your request, Kevin. We'll leave one box open.
All right.
Liberalize, good night.
Good night.
Good morning, Kevin.
Boss, what going?
Yeah, why, trust me. Why me happy with last night. Everything why Prime Minister said me happy with, you know?
Right.
And let me tell you something. Jamaica have a whole heap of visionary people, yeah? And Prime Minister one of the greatest one too. And it take a man with vision to grow a country, brother. And that is what we see in the Labour Party. We have a lot of visionary in the Labour Party, and nobody can counteract that. You see me? I like what I go on. I'm happy today. I'm happy today, brother.
I mean, I send the honor. I forgot to change my name.
Yeah. No, man, we're not changing your name, man. You say you didn't go on
no,
it. No, man.
Yes, so I send the honor. So I'm the next page, so I'm come off for this now.
Yeah, man, jump on. We're not put nobody in our box. Because why you there when your MP come up? Your councillor come up.
Yeah, man.
Sorry, Kevin.
Yeah, man. You say me cry, brother. Me tell you the truth.
But you want a weak soldier that we a ball.
No, man, no.
Move your clout. It's not weak. It is emotional, and it is what where Jamaica was coming from. You understand what it is now?
So let me ask you a question. What day when we never win back? out of Indian Town, and we never clarty the PNP them out of St. Thomas. And me feel some type of way. What would that cost me for them?
No, I know we did that, pussy. You know who did that?
Because me just compassionate about my party. Me is a winner. Me de Labour Right Party for Labour Right and lose, you know, Kizzy.
But
From Labour Right
Rusty,
and lose, you know, me a Labour Right, you know.
Rusty, me tell you how me stay.
Oh,
Me
you
that
know,
man-
Rusty this.
I
There's
Chuck.
not one governor this, one governor.
Sorry.
I plant this, Kevin.
Yeah, plank, yeah. You want me to say? You see, anytime I'm taking a program or something and me feel emotional like first part of it, me know say something good a come. You understand? And when me log into the conference yesterday, I work me there, and me a drive and me a listen to it. The first thing that hit me at the praise and worship. And that's how me start to feel emotional. And I say to one of my coworkers, I say, you know what? You say, bro, I'll step up on them hard, you know. And the man say, why tell the people? I say, don't worry yourself, man. I say, wait until the man come in. You go and hear what I go on. And exactly what I say, brother. And that happened. The man is a visionary, brother. Me tell you the truth right now. It take the man, no, me don't know what he said right now, because me happy. Me happy. Trust me. The country move in the right direction, rude boy.
So we are see an election day then.
What, brother? Me right now, me I go look for me I look for ticket at now if you come down, cause me have to go fly with the world cheapest airline and out to right, because trust me, I go try book a seat with them.
You mean?
Yeah, man. 2 years all the way right from England. 2 years all the way.
One thing me I tell him, I'm glad him big me up.
Kevin,
Yeah.
how are Labour Right? I'm in London as well.
Yeah, man. 2 years all the way. 2 years all the way. A month ago, me I go through. Me I step out in class.
I don't know where I'm going yet, because I travel a lot. I'll be in Portugal in a few weeks.
Okay.
I was in Jamaica for the summer for 1 week. I was in Antigua. I travel a lot.
Right.
But definitely, I'll be there I'll be there for voting.
But I want to go look on the voting list and I see my name still there. I say, all right, that's nice.
Okay, you go on the EOJ.
Guys, if you want to know where your voting is, that you vote, you go on the EOJ
website.
The EOJ Jamaica, you press search, you put query voters list, you put in your first name, your last name, after you come on to your date of birth, you go and put the month, then you put slash, then you put the day, then you put slash, and then you put the year,
the 4-digit year.
Whatever you see is there for a day before or whatever, that's how it goes. But once you put the slash, you press search, and they will tell you where your vote is.
Yeah, man, it's easy, Mario. It's easy. Come and do it already.
Okay.
I'm because my wife I talk about say she her name is not on the voters list.
Show up.
Hey, my darling, baby.
Hi, darling.
You wake up.
Nobody pick me up like that, you know. So when I make plan get mad.
No, I can go and big you up, man. I film live. Me don't want him mute me.
You sure of that? You sure of that?
Kevin, you know say, come like your mouth, boss.
Why is that?
A king, sister and Kevin.
King. You know, come like your mouth, boss, king. You know, say, I say you can't chat, as what Kizzy say. Yo. Sweet, yo. Miss Chin?
You go on.
Let me see how this now. All this will come up.
Mario.
Yeah, Kevin, hang on.
Why we see you launch out since night to blow dance curve? You want how I'm to you?
Yes, man, you have to bonfire when you can't bonfire. You understand? I lost my voice at the conference. And then I get so emotional we start my ball, we'll leap a ball in all kind of thing. But then when you have to burn fire, see that me sound like my voice I go again. But guess what? When fire for burn, voice I go or God, that's how the case is. And
Just do the same remedy when me tell you to do last night, man. And by a man in the voice, good man.
At least you get rid of Roger Clark because we don't have no 8-year-old meat or beef again from America.
You see, yo, Kevin. Brother.
The 8-year-old Buffalo Roger Clark used to import that country, brother. Lord Jesus Christ. What's up?
But Kevin, Roger Clark was, I'm not saying that is personality. He has a very nice personality. I can say this. But Roger Clark is a very wicked man, you know. Remember, Roger Clark go around and tell the people them say they call up mad cow disease and he take away people then cow, you know. And Roger Clark did have the most cow in Jamaica and the most land. That's how evil Roger Clark was. A lot of people they know that, you know. The people then call up mad cow disease, but him could have get it. You see how funny it is? What a dangerous man.
PMP, man. PMP is him.
Somebody in the box, Mario. We are going to talk until the councillor come.
Yeah, is it Harris? Tamara Harris? Unmute your mic. Unmute your mic. Go ahead now. Your mic is unmute.
You know, look like you are in a box, huh?
All right, yeah, a joke thing. We're going to take you out. Miss Chin.
Hey, Plank.
You're my boss.
Me just leave work, you know, I want barber shop, I go eat up and now kill me, I'll kill him and now we no brother. Sorry for call. I go analyze a lot of man right now. You're a Parish man in barber shop, you know.
Yeah.
And I show them train down now because I'm bridging the wait for me, you know. I hear one name Green too, you know.
Mm-hmm.
So we go wipe out the barber shop green, you know.
Come on, give it to them, man. You have to give it to them, you know.
Yes, man.
Yeah, man. You have all of the ammunition. You have the facts. You have everything if you go to them with. You understand?
And the wickedest thing, you know, man, I shop come from Westmoreland, you know.
Mm-hmm. And they love PMP, so.
Yes, man.
me hear somebody say, he we a PMP then wicked on a Westmoreland. God could just chop off down a Westmoreland and send away in IC with the PMP them alone.
Man, them brainwash, man.
Yo,
show my brother.
Boy, I just want to add this thing and then I just free up the box. Because we did the conference yesterday, I tell you, Mario, I know what you talk. I never ball still, you know, my brother. But it was an emotional feeling. Trust me. And after the conference, you know what is funny? I still not see a good video that represent the actual crowd where they did them, my brother. The crowd never normal. It just never normal. And I think why everybody was so emotional is for watch our leader go through all of this. All of the propaganda and the scandal and the lies. And see the man stand up tall same way. And the whole team just stand up tall. You see the last part there everybody just come up as one. One time I look on the screen, you know, brother, I look on it, you know, I just feel one woman put her hand around my waist, you know, and I sing, you know. I put me head back on the screen, you know, I say, yo, everybody I sing together, you know, start me, I feel it, you know, I feel the pride, you know. I feel the pride of the labor rights them. So I just love it, man. I know what you talk about, Mario. Trust me. It was a good conference, maybe one of the best.
Honestly.
Can I talk?
What accident can talk?
I mean, I wonder.
Tomorrow,
We don't
she
know.
talk. She can't talk.
You sound like a baby.
Yeah, the whole the voice sound when I said that.
Yeah, she's so young.
Somebody play.
But you know, say some of them people, them have baby voice, you know.
Yeah, that's true. No, it's true.
Some people do. Hey, let me tell you this. You see, when me and Chuck and Chroma stand up, and me I tell you, say the song a play, man. Me I tell you, man. And I understand it. I understand the love and the feelings and the emotion. And I can tell you, PNP not have them there something there. JLP party is more than just politics. It's a family. You can feel the love, you can feel the excitement. No war, no propaganda, we don't want to kill off for one another. You can actually feel the love, I'm telling you. Plus Chuck by me one Chuck one
You know what I hear when a body by you. You know which song should I sing? Or should I play yesterday? There comes a time when you hear a certain call and the world
you never call and tell them to play
together as one.
Real, big tune.
That's why you should have there. That's why you should have there.
There are people dying.
The song we played, what a Christian song they go again? Yo, when the song they start playing, the man, everybody 2 finger up in it. Yo, I'm telling you, it was so emotional. You had to be there to understand it.
To experience it. Hey, one at a time, so when the first shower rain start fall, me a man shout out, say, anywhere where labor right congregate, blessings off the fall. I mean, I tell you, so by the time I look up, the whole place have up them shower in the air. Me I say, yo, shower.
Yeah, man, shower.
Nobody now.
Miss me for the 4th term though. That me I tell a man.
You better not.
Rain a fall,
mad.
And nobody now move.
Nobody now
move. And nobody now move. Everybody stand up in the rain. As a real labor right, because you can't be labor right and afraid of showers.
Yeah, man.
Stand up.
All the umbrella. I see enough people have the umbrella, them prepared.
No, I see enough people have the umbrella and the hand and the rain fall and the umbrella not gone up. What the fuck?
People all have them tent out there and the people not even stand up underneath them tent. The people them stand up in a rain.
Because when you stand up on that tent, you can't see over the tent.
Listen me. Guys, me are showing all the people them come out for conference. All who they run at the back part. We can't hold nowhere around at the front. The people them run there drink and enjoy themselves. They come like one conference they run at back different, you know. They talk about whisper the basketball court kind of set up around this around at the fence part. The people them have one different conference around this. So you say Babsy Grange people them and Andrew Wheatley people them.
Them they everywhere.
How the blood click there, man? You see when them the people they step around our back. Me don't know who them a body, who them a guard and a carry on our back, you know, me no business with that part, they don't mix me. But me I tell you say no man. If people them come in like ants nest, you know, and just go hold for them corners around there, you know. Yeah, some girls
you couldn't get a video.
Me?
Did a video
and you want them kill? Well, let me tell you what my video.
Them alone when they come in at the same place, so them come.
Say, I saw Andrew Whitley people them come in, and I saw Babsy people them come in. Me never video.
Tivoli people.
Can you look on them Monday? Can you look on them Monday to say they no sense? Tivoli people them did come in too, but Tivoli people them never walk with nobody for their shelter.
No, you not see them, but there was a crowd that whole
I tell you, you see the Tivoli girl them. The girl them come in and spread one blood cleach up all in a ground, you know. And some bingo book, you know.
I eat PMP at talk about.
No. Not in that to talk about. The people them come out to enjoy themselves. At the end of the day, it's still their conference. That is nothing.
I mean, no, say, you remind me of spring break to blow down skirt, because the girl, they want me to see. No donkey, no bite, they make it pristine. You understand?
The bright man, them pretty boy.
Pretty
Well,
bad,
the
brother.
PMP give 5,000 bucks food. We not give no box food.
Miss
We
Chin,
not do
your
that.
moderator over here to hear. Me that's make you know.
I have no idea, man.
And you see rural Jamaica, you see St. Elizabeth, Portland, them nothing in a place. I'm not tell a lie. Big
Me see some nice. Me see some nice handsome man with bow legs.
Man, nah, like labor right man, them look good. Labor right man, them. Jesus. Yeah.
Are you taken?
If I'm taken, by the Lord himself.
When we look for
Miss Chin.
When we look for inside, you know, Miss Chin.
Love connection.
You make me say last prayer 10 times, you know.
Miss Chin,
Yes, Blank.
you see no labor right man where we need to send God get the second chance smile. Cause them need for utilize the service where them government are doing, on top of the PMP them alone get the second chance smile, you know.
Jesus. I never seen on
Hey, Plank, I think you have got search hard for them one, you know, because
she not looking at them mouth, Plank.
Then Miss Chin cannot chat to man and not looking at them mouth.
No, but you want me now. The man them a pass me, I just admire them because I have my 2 years.
Them a pass.
I'm a love man, so when them a pass me, I go look.
Hey, make we get back to the Prime Minister's business.
Don't shut me up. It's the Prime Minister's business. Head the list. Guys, you see when the after party starts and the Prime Minister come out of the door and the man stand up on the stage. Hey, you see if Juliet never labor right. Blood. Hey.
Take him away.
Behave yourself.
Man, ask Christ, my Prime Minister nice and clean enough. You see when I got the other after party, we keep a Hope Garden. Oh my God, man. Yo, my MP them look good, sir. Oh, my MP them look good, sir.
Well, me say Juliet no fire blank.
Look, that's a fair business. The whole of we are liberate, you can't kill me.
Hey, don't leave the lady and her husband alone. I'm going to look man for myself.
No. Chef, wait till me done vote for her husband. Not before.
Kevin and Miss Chin me a chat.
No, we're not. We're not
the girl them bubble gum.
Right.
Listen to me. Now is not the time to mash up the people's relationship. Because we need the politics to stay clean. We don't want the painting to have overway. So we now mash up one another.
Mrs. Onless is very much Miss Onless is very much aware say her husband and the girl them bubblegum. She know.
No, but
right.
No,
She
know.
know. Think she know.
Right. Let me tell you this, Kizzy. No woman no want a man when the next girl no want. As a woman, I can tell you that if a next girl no want my man, me no want him because something wrong with him. Girl supposed to see my man out the road and want him. Especially my man a prime minister, nobody no want him after no man gold in the birthday.
Respect due to Mama Jules, right true.
Right true.
So me no want a woman, you can't always look but you can't touch. This is Mrs. Wellness property.
Yeah, we're not trouble her, man.
Follow no yard and go on the yard.
We're going to look for her man and admire him because the man body clean. Anyways, I can come off for Andrew now. You see flight green body? Jesus.
Is that next marriage?
Miss Chin, now you flat the front, sir.
Well on the man,
Miss Chin. I see him so me see one of them a lost a file like a young mayor don't a man to go James.
Vernon. A boy have him thing, man. I saw him right for look.
I like my man them Charlie, I say you see all big robber.
Right, that's some Miss Chin.
Big Robs. Last night when I tell Big Robs to take a picture with me, and the man stand up, I stand up and look at the face, so I
yes,
sub Hey, I'm not done yet,
Big Rob, you know.
Hey, me no want nothing from you. Talking about tall men. Me not done yet. You see Dave Brown, Bomba class. You're the man of the color, the man of the height, the man of the body. Yo, me love my labor right in bed.
Yes,
no PhD man can't fuck me in a life.
Yes, if fly green, them a lost.
Listen, you don't see my golden.
When you come up from my blood, come up from phone now.
Da-da-dee.
When you come up from my phone.
My
man in a
golden.
PMP party were lookable. When I can't say, yeah, that one them would, hey, when you stop in eyes, you see, I land a terrier lock, hey! Me tell long look good, sir.
Yeah, people.
Miss Chin, you know who look good? You know who nice, Miss Chin? Miss Chin. Miss Chin.
I can hear you.
You say you know who nice? Mama D's son. Jesus Christ.
Talk about him and them. So
Mama D's son is a Mama D's son very nice.
Talk about you, man. Them.
Man,
There's
I
a
get
big
yourself
body.
natural again.
Yo,
Yeah,
plan.
Mama D son sweet too.
You know what's a nice song? You know what's a nice song? And guys, don't be fooled.
Kevin, I got preach.
Don't watch Christopher Tufton age.
Kevin, I got preach and Kevin does a loss.
Hey, Manala, in a real life, Christopher Tufton here real good. Christopher Tufton have two sons. One of them named Charles. I say me that for walk up to Charles and shake his hand myself.
I win the shot, I win the shot, my friend.
Show up on the live the other day.
I win the shot, I win the shot, yeah.
No, I'm not
I am plank.
I'm not taking my picture. I'm not my picture with Charles, but I can tell you, say. As a matter of fact, I'm not big up every MP and don't big up my own. Where?
You show him on the live at St. Thomas for there.
Oh, yeah.
Tell us you show Charles for the live for there. They say come here, say hi. All right, Kevin.
Yeah.
Well, all right, Kevin. You see my MP? You see that little shiny man there? I miss the blood. But now, never had man them about. I never had a drink, but.
A plank do it, Miss Chin. A plank do it.
Plank now I chat.
Miss Chin, a
Plank
plank.
can't save her from herself.
Plank. Tell us. Oh my God.
Miss Chin, you mute, Miss Chin.
Miss Chin, mute your mic. Plank mute you.
Hey, don't make me rude to you.
Your mouth! I'm gonna put you in a problem.
I am to Miss Chin.
Plank, don't make me mute you back. Remember me, moderator. Hey, you see the one named MP Creary? Guys, not because him not popular. But nah, like, you see me stand up and take the picture with him, I'm gonna show it. I'm gonna rest my hand on him chest. Creary said, man, they make people say me, are you there now? But nah, like, I'm gonna mind people say it. The boy body still real good.
Council Creary.
Let me look for my picture with Creary. I'm not busy. I'm gonna look for my picture with Creary. Well, yeah, shut me up.
We're not put you in a big box.
Miss Chin left conference with a wet baggy. Miss Chin, go on
I'm
your
not
bed.
telling you.
A real thing. Kizzy, a real thing you're talking about. Drag wet.
Boy,
anything you want to call it, don't call it.
Miss Chin.
Well, I'm gonna find Creary.
Miss Chin, I know it's late. I know you're weary.
Keisha C said lots of us single.
I know your plan is.
Here we go.
Team the guys, what I mean a big box and me have to rest my hand on the man chest. Well, look there.
We're not getting no big box. We're not getting no big box.
You can't tell her that.
What a boy nice. What are the guys? Me not do
yes.
Me nah lie. I some like when big man stay good. I some like when the big man
don't make you people and people over here so I watch and go like when I vlogger. Like when I vlogger go talk on the vlogging, but me love Flavor Williams. Me love when he come in here. I cut in here. And by the time we are buffing and back.
Oh, yeah, more like that.
Yeah, this is me and Moreland. Guys, now watch how Moreland have on him glasses, you know. One nerd that will look him with a nerd there. I mean I like nerd, but that nerd yeah.
We're Miss Chin.
Of course
yeah,
I shot me Van.
I shot Van, yes.
She not easy, yeah.
So when me are going up pants, you know see a conference.
Plank.
Yo, Chuck. Yo, me done.
Where you going with? Yo,
Me there.
I'll tell you.
Look on me, look up on the man. Look on them big tall, nice. Look on them big tall, nice man. I wanna look there.
Me tall on him.
That is not to do with me, Mario.
Miss Chinny can't talk. Miss Chinny can't talk.
Real good.
Miss Chinny can't talk. I'm not good. So
You're not married.
That's what we want.
Miss Chinny go want to climb up. She no business if he good plank. Wanna move now?
Tell him again.
Take time, come out of your shell.
It's like a puzzle every figure.
I'm gonna take that 21 and over something there over my face. That is the great AOW. Wanna see that man? People them outfit yesterday? But nah, like the AOW them sell off. Me have to ask him what the O mean. I say, sir, what the O mean in your name? Him say O'Brien. The whole of the at them, a bucket at them. Everybody have on a bucket at. And they mark AOW. And it's the light green, what you call a shocking color green there. All of them have on it, the nice. AOW.
Hey, Plank.
And Joey play.
I see some site at a conference yesterday. You know, me say, if girl then clean like whistle, brother.
Labor girl them pretty, brother. I'm not telling a lie.
And I bet you not get one.
And no MP whatsoever no be that general. No. You see that one here?
Eh?
That one here, I'm done.
Venetia Phillips. Me say woman cleaning.
Nice piece of woman, me I tell you, brother. Nice piece of woman.
Let's stop loss for the people, them wife and the people, them husband.
When a
They are the
pretty
leader.
girl in a real life.
They are
Then
the leader of our country.
And it's going to end.
Who this? Who
Venetia
this?
married.
China, who this today with?
This is my boss.
Charles
That's Charles Jr. What you mean? But nah,
He's short, but he look nice.
He's short, but guess what?
Yeah.
Him chest nice, flat and nice.
Have a good
Him
body.
head ball and shine.
Me tell you,
Then the man
me
who rub down the shine head, you're not short and nothing.
Miss Chin.
You're not short
Miss
in your
Chin.
ear for no head.
Miss Chin.
Yeah.
Miss Chin.
Yeah.
Stop. Oh no, stop.
Let me tell you this.
The
I
people
can say
of the
whatever I
government.
want to say about Colonel Charles Jr. Nobody can hold my mouth.
Leave the government business alone.
I am a part of that. I am not leaving it. Let me tell you this about labor
What a
right
girl,
man, but
but
you're
a
not
big
going
man.
Plank. Let me tell you this about my labor right member of parliaments. JLP member of parliaments. My MP them, the whole of them are gyalis. The married one, them, the single one, them, the one them we have girlfriend, the one them we have 10 gal, the
Yeah,
whole of them are
probably
gyalis.
the people
So
and
it don't
business
matter to them.
Hello.
It don't matter to them if we want to bring up them picture and talk how them body look good. Them love the slackness too.
You hear your company, attract the people in business, your mouth will bright.
Miss Tina see
Never
Angel
take them off.
yesterday?
Never take them off. Who?
Miss Tina see Angel yesterday?
No.
What did they?
Why,
Eh?
Plank. I don't see a soul yesterday, because when we reach parliament, when we reach conference, we couldn't go in, you know.
After me not see nobody.
Yo.
You get in a eye in a bed and I tell you say take about 2 hours to come back up.
Well, Miss Chin, did you see Chris Gale?
No, I did not. I didn't go inside, you know.
Okay. Anyways, may I
But
go
all that
my
way,
bed now?
Anyways, may I get the man them something to talk about, because the man them wants to see something.
Plank jealous bad.
I must Planka call me.
Oh, okay, Miss
Watch
Chin.
bow legs.
I want my phone now, God.
Right, that's some
Miss
Miss Chin.
Hold on. Miss Chin, are you that?
It's
yes.
I'm batty
Yes,
there. And
yes.
legs them well bandy.
Yeah, me can't
Wow.
inbox you. Peter, they can't give me Miss
Mr.
Chin.
Bandy leg.
Miss Chin, you don't have no one on your turn run.
Alright. The most your Planka call me, the Planka leave me alone.
Don't answer him. Don't
Dr.
answer
Rada,
him
what's up for
at all.
Miss Chin?
No, sir.
No, answer Miss Chin. I jealous him jealous.
Can I tell
My
you?
woman in a problem.
Good door, mama. You look
Carla.
dear.
Thank you.
Good man.
Miss Chin, I
Greetings,
sexy girl,
Marky.
she's
Hey,
beautiful.
Marky. Guys, Marky
Yeah,
have a match
call me name for
tomorrow.
talk about caller.
Marky,
You call
Marky,
me
tell them the
name.
details of the match now.
He's Marky.
Sir.
Carl, you the vex.
No, I'm for the vex over my brother.
Marky have a match tomorrow. We have to
Yeah,
support
my
Marky
brother.
match.
Yeah?
When tomorrow?
You end up on the bed.
Yes, the 26th.
Okay.
When over kitchen
7
side.
p.m.
7
Is
p.m.
it 7
tomorrow,
p.m.?
Jamaica time. 7 p.m. him have a match. Marky, send a
No,
request and
that's-
come in at the box. Come give you the
I
details.
can't
We have
know
one
this-
box empty.
That's late, man.
You can't talk to you know.
Me never write your
First
son,
time I
me a
see
call
him
you.
yesterday, the first time I ever see him, Marky. Marky say,
Frank, where you
"What
calling
is
him?
right? What
I'm here
is
call Miss Sin, me never write your son.
You did a call her a while ago.
I don't mean to call nobody.
Marky, tell me the details of the match.
Good evening, guys. So the match will be tomorrow at 7 p.m. 7 p.m. sharp.
One round?
Yeah, one more. Just one match. One and done.
How much the score I go?
You don't know, a
we don't
one-on-one
know
match, your
as well.
score can't go anything. And what the amount I give for you to get to win.
She coming, right?
How are you guys doing? How many of you here went to conference?
All of us.
Uno went in a physical, went in a virtual or spiritual.
Yeah, we were virtually there.
Oh, good.
He was physically there.
Sit up back. I like to see your banty leg. I like banty leg.
Miss Chin buff up in a shot.
See
Oh,
him
yeah.
strong.
I get a picture there. I put you up on my status and say my wife to me.
Spark, we have competition, you know, Sparkle.
Plank, nobody vexing up, Plank.
Miss Chin here 266 like Rudy.
You have competition, Sparkle.
No, I don't compete with my sisters, isn't it?
Miss Chin here 266 like Rudy.
If she look good, she look
No,
good down.
the competition is you to put on shots too. That is the competition, yeah.
No,
I
not
understand
today.
what I'm going.
No, it's freezing here.
Well, not outside, obviously.
Yeah.
Not the boss.
Don't
Speak
worry.
like how the lady speak if you get to her. I can't deal with you know. You know, you might try to put on a little accent a while ago for fella.
Yeah, let him stay there.
King.
I'm all right.
King. Me know you're fascinated by Sparkle's voice, you know. But it not go work, you hear?
You want too much now, you know. Too much, you know. You want too much.
That's why my real woman in a
King, no
problem.
pay me the mind, yeah, King. Yeah?
I want to tell us a King set me up this morning. Miss Chin.
Hey, don't want to tell people that, you know, brother. I can't try off of my wife.
King no set me up this morning after me did I tell him say Philippian look good in a real life because I meet Philippian in a real life. Them my woman tune in pandy up. I hear me I tell King that. You my woman. So you come to Jamaica come meet him in a real life. Eh? Oh yeah, tell him man. So you say anything when you put TikTok up here.
You're gonna make TikTok mash up your life, yeah?
Yeah, man.
You're going
Yeah,
to
man. I
allow
sent you this in
TikTok
a
to mash up your relationship. You still there?
Suppose she hear about the 15-inch.
She know about it.
Boy.
Miss Chin, you know, easy, you know.
Boy.
I want me tell you that Miss Chin, everybody has said about Chromas know Miss Chin but before you miss out on idiot.
No, you're beautiful, Miss Chin.
Thanks,
It's
Michael.
lovely.
Jamaica make your black door chin. When me see you over there, you're brown and pretty.
May I tell you? That's what Jamaica black me. Me know from the come home, me know from the come home, I get back. Yeah, man, me know, man, I expect that. Me never had a bleach. Me
DJ
know
Potter said his eyes wide shut.
DJ, what a dangerous to see him there, you know.
You know somebody
Say
eyes wide
eyes
shut. Me can't
wide
bother.
shut.
I
DJ,
can't.
what a dangerous there.
You
You
never see
can
somebody
name a
eyes wide
burger.
shut. Then oh you know where man I am?
Then you know see on him profile them when you are doing video them.
Never look.
Okay, you feel look man.
Never look.
You know, if you eat too much burger, make him belly big.
DJ Potter on your sweet tips.
Well, I don't understand why I'm going with the last time man I eat the burger kind of thing. I don't understand. You said I will eat the blood.
What do you eat, brother? Burger sell all both, you know.
And you eat burger too?
Burger no sell all a pork,
Me
man.
never
We sell
ask you that. Me never ask you
all
that.
you
You
want
say
to
you eat burger too.
Mario.
You eat burger too.
Mario.
What? Where you want?
95%.
No, not do that. No, not do that. You need a burger to earn.
Eh?
You need a burger too.
Hold on, Mario. Hold on. Mario. 95% follow back at J. Brian. Right? And 5% eat burger. Which percent you know?
My burger place.
Eh? Me over a burger place, you know. Me gone over burger to, you know.
Burger,
Like
brother.
you love over burgers until Plank you where you love burger.
So Mario, where you gonna tell me, so you're up on the borderline?
No, me have to just get on a burger and just feel good. Take me look at time with me up and walk over there.
Okay. Okay, Mario. Okay. Okay. Now who I know which part you're there? If I over which part, J. Brian, then there you go.
Me never want to see.
The barracuda run off a TikTok, you know.
Eh.
He gone over YouTube. Over YouTube, me see him.
Oh, J. Brian?
Gone. Yes, so we have to go over and go mash him up. Because he can't go take over YouTube, a bigger place, that, you know, brother.
Where you say platform, I go broad.
Yeah, to go bigger so we can make that happen. We have to account tight.
Yeah, man, I'm done him, you know.
Hey, remember Dark Knight? Which side you there? You're there over the side there, you're there over Burger King. Which one?
That night Burger King from man in no
In down in a box and laugh out blood teeth off of you, no barrier.
But you know sending the Burger King from man in no
Me don't know nothing about him.
Yeah, I think they are Burger King and Downtown Kingston together.
Rather my man they downtown and Burger King more than my man over Dre Brian side.
Here.
Burger King.
He said they're Burger King to play.
A burger, that's not a burger. A Burger King, man, say burger. You know Burger King?
Hold on. Here.
Burger King.
DJ same there, fireside me there.
Fireside, you have to dip on one side, you know. That me I tell you.
You know, so we not on Dre Brian side. That's
Right.
all. Yeah. If a man them want eat, make the man them eat. That me I tell you now.
When me tap a Burger King, you know, me have to get the double whopper, you know, with cheese. And bacon in a miggle, you know, with lettuce and tomato.
Yeah. Okay. Tell them I'm a friend.
Yeah. And extra mayonnaise, you know, Mario. I when me buy that, you know, whole of me mouth nasty up, you know.
Jesus Christ. Wait, man, your girlfriend soon find over here.
Skirt water running there.
No, I'm not talking about that, the burger. We're talking about Burger King.
That's what
thank you,
I'm
ma'am.
talking about. So why you ain't gone done? No, sir.
Call out. You see why you getting himself in trouble?
Yeah, look on that.
Where I got bed? What time you have now? What time you have now, kids, man?
I'm going to bed shortly as well. It's
no,
my time is 9:41.
Early over there, isn't it?
So
Yeah.
Kez is about 10:41 for Kez.
Mario.
Hey.
Yeah, you know, yeah, Sparkle. Sweet tips. Sweet tips say, yeah. Are you a real man? Are you? What kind of man are you? You have a woman, Sweet tips? Sweet tips say yes. Yeah, Sparkles. That woman gonna cheat on you.
Sparkle, why you say that?
Chris, he was over there talking a lot of crap about when his woman is on her monthly, he doesn't even touch her or cuddle her. What kind of man is that?
Oh.
Remember, when a woman is going through that, she might
At
be
that time,
feeling
woman want
harms.
affection.
That's the
That's
time
the
they want
time woman
affection.
want more affection.
And he's like, no,
Massage and
can't
all these
come near,
things.
can't
Yeah,
come near
man.
him. What kind
You
of
rub,
man is
you
that?
rub
You
down
don't
my
want that
mummy
type
belly
of
and make mummy
man.
feel comfortable, man.
Why you
Some
gonna
man don't know
sleep?
the
Why you
style,
gonna
man. No
sleep, kids,
pattern
man?
they have.
Nah, man, let them see, let them
They
see,
have
let
an
them see.
anti-business party. They don't like business. They don't like capitalism. Right? Them like communism where the government is in charge of everything. And it's that mentality why the people of Arnett Garden would rather live and make the house drop down upon them rather than fix it. Yeah? The people of Arnett will live in the place and make it drop down upon them because of somebody else to fix it. That's the mentality where PMP have. And as what's our name they say yesterday? That mentality, you can't get it out so easy. We have to go work and reprogram the people and give them back a sense of pride in themselves. Stop depending on people. Go there. That me tell you, for them people today who said them a PMP, them couldn't make Michael Manley party. Them couldn't make Manley party. Mark Gordon couldn't make Manley party. So, as I said, the Prime Minister yesterday told us one thing. So and all the others, the Prime Minister said we are not complete. We're not in the competition with them.
Then Chuck, when has, I'm trying to wrap my head around it. When has reducing tax to a people becomes an issue? I thought it when you increase taxes, people supposed to complain.
Well, you see, the PMP setting the stage. As I say, once the PMP is against something, it is good for Jamaica.
Oh.
Yeah, man, as long as the PMP is against something, rest assured, it is good for Jamaica. Right? That is the simple issue with them.
Oh, sure that.
And Chuck, I am sure that more is coming because one thing with this government, the government has not been afraid to pass on the gains that the economy has been benefiting to the people. And at the end of the day, we also have to be fiscally responsible, Chuck. We can't just be giving away all this gain because we're gonna find ourselves back into the same hole where we're trying to come out of. Exactly. When you give away everything back to the people, then Jamaica struggles. And that is what, for example, Jamaica is giving, we are saying, okay, we're gonna give you back $1.5 billion per year on your GCT. PMP come out and say we got $40 billion one time out of your NIR, right? They tell you how you go get it back, but we got $40 billion we'll give it away. We check that off already, Chuck. As we say to many lives, we have 2.7 something million people in Jamaica. If you divide that $40 billion, 13,500 per individual, less than minimum wage. Most of the Jamaicans now go spend that by anything meaningful. All right, so for example, half of that populace is rich, right? It is only equal $27,000. What are you gonna do with $27,000? Most person will spend that up, just like how they give them free money and then buy F-150 bike instead of doing the farming.
Instead of doing the farming, exactly.
You take your time, give this back to the people in terms of savings, and the people will benefit more significantly. I throw out money and give them at a one-off. It don't make no sense.
Because that's what PMP do, one-off payment and then sensationalize it. And then the people then jump up and then collect the money today, then spend it off, and then next week, you know what next week? The PMP have to increase tax.
But remember the People's National Party promised to remove GCT on electricity in their 2012 campaign. Yes. Right? They did not live up to that. what they did is to increase the consumption rate. So they moved from 200 to 300, and after 300, they started to tax you. But they also increase the GCT from 10% to 16.5%, which raked in another $400 million for the Jamaican government in terms of taxes. So them trick you. So they move it, but them still a win.
And that's what PNP do over the year, winner. Dangle carrot over there, so while I pick your pocket on the other side.
And a lot of Jamaicans won't even realize it because they don't go back in the history and read. You tell the people them by your campaign, you promise them say you're going to remove it, but they increase the consumption charges and increase the tax from 10 to 16%. So it making you look as if them give us something, but they don't really give you. It's like you give $100 in your pocket and then they pick your 150 on the other side.
150 on the other side.
But Chuck, the other day again I hear you Richard was talking about, boy, one great thing that PNP did was the farm and chase fund. The chase fund, that is another three-card trick. The chase fund gets its funding from gambling, all right? No, the gambling was in the 60s, you know, with Sheridan and Manley come in and cut it out and say, no gambling and so on. All right, everybody know that gambling breaks in big money. It's normally government control it. Yes. In England, they use it for state fund. In America, you know, the state them control the gambling. What Manley do is take it and give it to a powerful man, Howard, give the license to Howard Mitchell, and the same man that get the Shell Weaver scandal.
Yes.
The gambling license, you know, give it to private man.
Yes.
In every country you go, the lottery is run by the government.
Lotto was ours, Chuck. Lotto was a promise by the government to say, okay, if you win, all right, buy this, right? Buy this. If you win, it's a carrot. You know, the majority of people will never win, but it's a carrot, right? And then the resources from that carrot that you generate would have used to fix a road, fix a school, you know, fix your universities, fix the things in the how can you sell that? Because that's something you can't lose. You know?
But we know
that sold it to a private man.
Education problem. Look, billions may come off lottery, you know. And they take it and give it to a private person. No, when they give
Ventures, not the name, was ours.
No,
PNP sold that a company that could not lose.
No. Winner. Supreme Venture wasn't ours.
No, it wasn't. It never named Supreme Ventures, but the lottery license to operate was ours.
Yes.
Yeah, man. What I'm saying now,
gave that away, sold it.
No, listen, what I'm saying, when what happened to PJ gave it to Howard Hamilton. Now, Howard Hamilton got the first lottery, you know, and then Butch brother came and got one. But what happened now? The people who got the second lottery license, they pattern the Japan and come with the, what you call it now? Cash back. So that was beating Howard Hamilton lotto now. So he sold his license to them now. You know. But what I'm saying, if lottery is controlled by government, if all the government had to do, set up a management system and let it run for the government, the money that is made, we are only getting the crumbs, you know, and it's that Howard is boasting about chase fund. It's the crumbs we getting, maybe some little money where the people are not collect and so on, just for us to spend in health and sports and so on. When we could be having the whole cake when the government could have the whole cake for ourselves.
Yeah. That is it, barricade. They must celebrate the crumbs. Yeah. When them party give away the cake.
Give away the cake, yeah. and talking how great them is.
But remember, I same thing with them, you know. Remember, they must celebrate. Them lock down JOS and celebrate JUTC. Where JOS was a far better company than JUTC, if we are to be honest. But them lock it down and now celebrate. Oh, we build bus company in Jamaica.
Chuck, Chuck, between 2012 to 2015, in order to show up the election win, the People's National Party added 500 individuals to the JUTC. These people were not needed. Some of them people never work a day in their life, but they were home collecting a check on behalf of the JUTC to say them a bus driver, them a conductress, them a bus mechanic, them a yard sweeper, them a cook, them a chef. There are all these things. 500 additional workers costing us billions of dollars per annum to pay in order for the People's National Party to show up election win.
I personally know some of those people who sat at home and collect.
For the 2002 election, for the 2002 general election, the finance minister said him spend over $10 billion to shore up the win for the People's National Party. Yeah? That is how them used to do it.
But when the problem is that, you know, that happens in the 70s and come back, as I say, in the 90s. What happened, you know? That is what put pressure on the Bruce government administration when they came in, because what happened? You have a bloated, because they use the public sector thing now as a thing, you know, as a sponge to soak up labor. It become bloated, and now the IMF say, listen, you can't. You have to cut, you know, and that's what put the pressure on Bruce and Ardell, you know. You have to go to the cut now, you know, because we can't let them money if you just go through it and a sinkhole. No, because there were a lot of people who were not needed in the public sector.
That was a part, but that wasn't the significant part. The significant part was that the public sector, the nurses and others demanded a salary increase. The government said, listen, we can't pay you, because if we do that, we're going to breach the IMF program. They took the government to court, and the government lost, and the government was compelled by the law to pay, to give them a salary increase. And when they did that, the IMF said, but we can't manage it. We can't, we told you, and that is how the IMF backed out of the deal back in 2010 thereabout, and we were left on our own to fend.
And with all of that, you know, remember, we still managed to end that period with economic growth.
Yeah.
Yes.
Right. Because by that time, would have the fiscal rules in place. I would have had the Jamaica debt exchange happening, which saved us on the first go $500 million US.
It wasn't just the JUTC, you know, another place that the PMP sent people is also the National Solid Waste Authority. Those were the places where they send people to shore them up.
Oh, you mean driving those trucks that we lost 70% of?
Yes.
So those we bought 100 units for over 400 million, over 500 million Jamaican dollars at the time. And within 3 years, we lost 70 of those units. And even though those units were parked, not doing anything, drivers were still on payroll collecting for those 70 units.
Were still collecting.
Units that were not driving people, remember that? Not driving. Done, mash up, gearbox no good. But they were being paid to be driven. Yes, those rapid response truck.
Yeah, man. They send people to those places. And bear in mind, over the time, you know, of all the studies where they bring in to JUTC, all the studies tell us that the place was top heavy, too much people. But they keep adding, because, as I say, that's where them show up them people. They send them on list. Just call them this and collect one paycheck a month time, and you're good.
Yes, sir. And they do that at the parish councils.
They do that at the parish councils. They do that everywhere. And then
programs, drain cleaning, and when you go there, the drain not clean. That is how the PMP waste and pay for our monies to them comrades. And that is why a lot of people love them when they come in the power, because they want to think about themselves. They don't think about the future.
Yeah, man, that's what they're saying. Come when PMP in the power, money run, man, be nice. But at what expense? What is the cost of that money we run when them in a power? People don't understand that it come with a cost.
No, I don't care. Can I get $20,000 in my envelope?
And that no matter how much you see, there's somebody have to pay that cost. So
There
right now,
is nothing
me and you winner,
free.
I pay the cost for the run with it.
Yes, sir.
That's what we are paying for today. That is why road couldn't fix. That is why hospital equipment couldn't buy.
Chuck, when there is nothing free, when you waste government resources, is it taxpayers, you and I, who pay for them? Yeah? Because the government makes money two ways. They either do economic expansion or they do taxation, right? And if your economy is not expanding, the government would have to put tax on you to pay for its goods and services that it needs to function as a government. Now, when you waste those, or you add people, or your gateway, is it tax people? So when the budget have hole in it, the government will have to put on tax on your back. But the PMP only cares about power, my brethren. Once they're in power, everything good.
And then they dumb down them supporters. Dumb down their supporters and send them out.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man, them dumb down their supporters and then send them out and say, just go out there and say this, man. Nobody won't believe you. Right? But as I said, my party leader yesterday raised the standard of the conversation.
Right. But Mr. Finley.
Yeah.
The most honorable Dr. Andrew Michael Holness has changed the political landscape on how we view politics. Jamaica is getting matured, or mature in terms of politics, how we view it. And my prime minister have shown Jamaica that, listen, policies matter. Really, laba laba, chaka chaka, now go work. You need to come and put a vision to the people. Right? And that is why we have Aspire. Before it was Prosperity, and we have the new chapter, and we have Aspire. He's planning, he's showing you, even though some of those dreams, right, cannot be achieved in the immediate space if you plan enough. Because we can't get up one day and become a medical technologist. We have to go basic school, then we have to go college, then we have to go high school, then we have to go university. Right? So even though we put down my dreams and I want to become a medical technologist, I have to go through all the phases in order for me to get there. And the government has lined up certain dreams and aspirations for Jamaica. And we have to grow into that. We have to work towards the dreams and the visions that we set for ourselves as a country. Remember, Lekan, you came here, and took our own methodology of economic growth and expansion and put in a in place. And Singapore is one of the most beautiful countries.
And the most successful today.
So why we can't do it?
Because when Lee Kuan Yew work, we elected Michael Manley.
Oh, God have mercy. Mr. Run with it.
And people don't understand when we say that is the one mistake we make where Jamaica still appear for today. That 1980 election.
And
sorry, that 1972 election when they tell the people there's a better must come.
Yes. And
trying to go look for the better.
The 2025 election. The 2025 election is a reminder of the same type of mistake that we can make, because the third term will guarantee you. I don't think if we make a mistake and put in a PNP government, I don't think I would live long enough to recover in terms of the finances. See Jamaica at this position again.
Never. No, it won't be for us. And hey, winner, let me say this. In 1970, 72 to 76, Michael Manley chased out the business class. They were allowed to pack up them bags and leave. Come with people, tap up the screen. They were allowed to pack up them bags and leave. When the 20 come back in 1989, they never give the business class a chance to leave them, destroy them, and we have rebuild them again. You think Jamaica will survive another run with the PNP?
No. Oh. I said this.
Another run.
I said this before. An economy is based on confidence and confidence in a leader. If we want to see it, how factual that is. Just look at the outcome of the US general election. Immediately, the stock market started to flourish. Immediately, the United States dollar started to revalue because confidence in the leadership of Trump and his supporters are real in terms of how we manage the economic. Remember, the man not going to office yet. Yeah? And therefore, getting back a PMP government that cost us 40% of our GDP, destroyed 44,000 businesses, and sent home over 400,000 people packing from their jobs is significantly going to affect the landscape because a lot of the business community are persons who are victims, or their family, or their dad, or their moms, or cousins, or uncles were victims of FinSAC. And that trauma still remain in their minds. And therefore, everybody's going to go on a wait and see. And then the same thing when we are about say, oh, the pressure turn up, it's going to get even worse because we're not going into a recession. But
one of the things that I understand when I'm trying to tell this to people that lower inflation is just as dangerous as high inflation, and people don't understand that something there. Right? They don't understand, say, too much money chasing too little goods is as dangerous as too little money chasing too much goods.
Yes, sir.
The government has to find a balance between the two. And the government has said that the balance for Jamaica is between 4 and 6%. That is where it is being kept. Right. So the Prime Minister is right, we are not in any competition with these people. We are miles ahead of them in terms of our plan for Jamaica. And right now, if Mark Golding want to join the conversation, he must come and speak. As a opposition leader.
Life.
As a party leader.
Yeah, man. Yo, PMP for life, man. You hear that? PMP for life, man. Mark Golding. You hear that? JLP for fuckery, man. You suck out.
No, man, I want to take him down.
I don't know what to do, man. He's stay, man. I want to do
it. We don't make him done in rant. Then we talk to him. Bring him back. Bring him back, man.
Bring him back. I want him to come back.
Which you got to give him exactly what he want.
Yeah, that is the level of ignorance.
And you run him out and we run him off. So you go tell your friend them now, why you know say me go for the life and me just cuss them off and they run. Bring him back.
Come back, man.
Defend him position.
Go and defend your PMP and tell me exactly why you say PMP if you like.
Yes, man. Bring him back, make him go and defend his position, man.
When them, let me see me can find him. Say back a request, man.
Good evening, everyone.
See my come back here. See my come back, man. Go and tell me why the PMP if you like.
PMP badness, man. PMP badness, you hear that? PMP badness, man. I know a lie, man.
All right, tell me when you're done. You don't know?
Yeah.
You don't know?
PMP badness.
You don't know?
He might come out, oh God.
All right, the people, and that is the
Marcus Ranga.
Are we?
Yeah.
Yo, Wagwan. Good night to everybody. I don't know Wagwan in Jamaica, but yeah, I love it. America, I'm just still know. And I've been watching Jamaica every day. You see me? Because I take Jamaica serious, you know. I truly American, I have citizenship in America. But I'm just waiting for the right time. Whenever I get to hear what's going on, is election call?
No, election
I'm coming
call
back.
yet. No.
I'm coming back when it's that time now.
All right.
No doubt.
Yeah, man, election is gonna be called next year.
I don't want it to call, I just want to know if it called because it's not quite mess me.
What we had yesterday was the Jamaica Labour Party's annual conference. The Prime Minister set up his plan for the next year.
Hey man, you see that Mark Golding, and I must run him way, man.
Why we are trying?
Because that dude, you see that dude there? I want kind of slave master dude, you know.
We not really call him name still in him name such man. We not really mention him.
Oh, me sorry about that, man, but me have to talk it cause me not really dead still. If me dead cause me deal with politics different, you know, as I was there, you know.
Yeah.
I mean, and my Labour Party, me never lost in my constituency, you see me? As
Which constituency is that?
St. Thomas me come from, man.
Oh, James Roberts, so like.
Straight up, man. So anytime you hear about James Roberts at my place, that.
You have property up there? You have property in St. Thomas?
What? I 18 and a half years come out.
You're supposed to rich now, boy.
Yeah, but just I try to make some money now.
The value of that property is supposed to have gone up significantly.
So my thing is, I try deal with a little goat farm down there still. All them things they work, cause we have to try and make some, you know, some investment in our country.
The best way to go and look for that, you would have to go to talk to RADA. They would best give you the information that you need in order to set up something like that. And RADA is like a partnership. Not that you're gonna give them money and they're gonna run it for you, but they will give you all the guidance you need because our government is encouraging farmers to actually venture into these things.
All right.
And the government has removed the tax on the importation of goats and sheep and horses.
Yeah, so
because they want to build the herd.
A Jamaica goat me raised still, no, brother.
All right.
A Jamaica goat me raised.
But
not raised an American goat or no Russian goat or whatever goat.
Yeah.
Jamaica me place, my brother. And I told me I also me also. You see me?
Yeah, man, no problem with that, man. Just as I
but
said.
Me have to dip from Jamaica when the come with them in a power, my general. Nah, lie. Me have to dip because it rough. You see me? Now me here say the doctor now he start give people free education and pay for it, and then down there say nothing not go on. Bro, I swear, if I know PMP people them doing that, something wrong. Because everybody me seeing at Jamaica right now working. I'm a follow social media and I like somebody that tell me.
The lowest unemployment rate in the history of our country.
Man, even America, I wonder how Jamaican do that. They're a little country like that. You see me? Because they suffered the COVID-19. It's a big hit in America. I want me to see Jamaica bounce back like nothing happen. Me like, what? Go there, doctor.
Steady hands.
Man, bro, if Jamaican people vote out the doctor, me see said Jamaica nah no sense. But me still come back and vote for him still, so.
Yeah, man, we have to do a part, man. Have to do a part. Right.
But me nah lie still, me love when me see our conference, man. It's like they wake up, they wake up Labour Party and SNES. Never SNES, because SNES are red ants now and black ants now. But they raise up the Gadas, you know what I mean? You ever hear them say something near Gadas in Jamaica?
Yes.
You say if you're not real Jamaican. Who know about Gadas?
Most of them buyer we tell us that even the airport we don't know which part it there.
All right, sir.
All right, bless up yourself, sir. Just make sure you come home when the time come and do your part.
How we answer, man? That can't miss me, man. I make sure see me feel already with that special.
All right, sir.
You see me?
Nivi.
That left me.
Yo!
You didn't make you up so in time?
Shower!
All right, sir.
Right at the side of the stage, my boy.
Oh, yeah. Mr. Patrai. Mr. Patrai.
Yeah, man. Patrai in it. Right.
Yeah, Patrai in that part, yes.
Mr. General. He just full of style and he just full of me lost the words, brethren. Believe me, man. It's like business, a business. Me go stand up and listen to, man.
Message,
and you can connect the dots, brethren. Man, want everybody come in, cause pay them 1 cent so everybody can get covered, man. You understand me, I say? Too many, hey, what I think we need for push still, somebody just come to me and say, if Andrew, according to them, they swindle and I take care of so much different things, while the PNP when they do the money when time, then say they're so honest.
Right, I've been asking that question for the longest while. Somebody tell me what the PNP do with 16 years out of taxation. If them did so honest.
You know what if we do? We find the 16 budget them saying, I add up everything, man. I ask them what they do with the money there.
Yeah, man, remember Niger, remember Niger did highlight it in a parliament at the time, you know.
Yeah, when you roll out the tax papers.
Right. And tell you how much it costs. The PMP again for that time has imposed new and increased tax on Jamaican for 16 years out of them. Over 2 years they have never introduced new tax. And even those 2 years, them increase other taxes.
Well, one of the biggest thing, which is such a simple thing I may talk about it for a morning, is no vuvuzela bell.
Bell. People quiet, people sit down, people listen to the message.
People them attentive, brethren.
Hold on there, listen. Let me try this again, because we like to insult PMP, you know. Mr. Garvey, where you say now? Mr. Garvey, listen to me now. You hear me say? You see, if you come up here and shout and say, Ray, that not do nothing for you, you know. Everybody knows say you're PMP. I mean, not telling enough for vote for PMP. But what I would love for you to do is if you have a position, more try and defend it for me. You see that, J Dad? You see, your mother said you come off of the phone. You hear that, Diffie? The mother come up here and showed PMP, mother just showed him off of the phone. So, apparently, the man will come up and say PMP badness that he have a phone for himself to rot it.
Yeah, I move my phone in my use.
I move my phone in my use. She just showed him off of it a while ago.
And you know, say, he can get the 20,000.
You can't get the 20,000 and go buy one phone, Marcus.
Yeah, he can get it because the boss say, all if you never involved in nothing, you can come in, can sign up.
Yes.
And get the 20 grand.
And you get it.
And all I know. And we just want him to be a part of the system because if my suffer, we can put him on part.
We can put him on part.
And we can send him where's something name one time, the package. The care package.
Care package. We can send you one care package.
Yeah, man.
And if you have no piece of property, we can try to get you one hope house. So your mother don't have to run you and park phone and out our place.
Run out our house.
That's
so like mommy I want labor right too.
Don't so.
Yeah. Right. And mommy realized. Mommy could have realized too. The right thing is to keep the general in place.
Yes. Marcus, it don't look good for you. It don't look good for you come up here and cuss about PNP badness from people phone. At least you should have your own phone. You should have at least have your own phone, sir.
Hey, Timmy say pick up in 20,000 Friday.
Ah, there you go, Timmy.
Some of my staff pick up for them last week though.
And I think there is 8 more days for the application. 8 days left for the application.
And then the new one is when the other people them.
Yeah. Andre. Good evening,
Good
sir.
evening. Can you guys clarify something for me, please?
We'll try.
I hear on a live yesterday that the reason why the government raised the minimum wage 3 times is because the system now is not stable, or it is not. I think it was on Chef Live. I hear that yesterday.
On Chef Live.
Yeah.
All right, sir. Let me say this, because as me say, there's one thing me learn from American election is that you have to respond to everything where you hear, because something, no matter how bad it is, somebody out there believe it. Now, let me say this. The same salary when you did a work in a 1980, you could have worked it today. The same goes for US, Canada, England. As things advance, things by nature become more expensive. The same thing when you buy a bird for yesterday, it can't buy it today. But what has to happen is that the economy has to be doing well for you to increase salary or wages, anything you want to put it. If the economy is not doing well, you cannot increase those things. That is why in 18 years, the PNP was only able to increase minimum wage once. Because they didn't have an economy that could, what the word I look for? They didn't have an economy that could suffer, that could stand the increase in those kind of wages. And that is why even under freedom government, the public sector was under a wage freeze because they did not have the economic space to even increase public sector salary, much less increase the minimum wage. So compare what they did to the minimum wage to what we did. Remember that even while they had the people under wage freeze, they were still increasing taxes. They were still giving themselves increase. And the price of goods and services was still going up. So in Jamaica right now, the price of goods and service is going up. But wages are moving along with it. That is called natural progression, my boss. Natural progression.
Okay.
Natural progression. It happens every single place you go.
And Chuck, let me add something to it. The facade that a lot of people are pushed. Minimum wage is actually a guideline.
A guideline.
My helper get bigger than minimum wage. Has always been. Me never pay my helper $5,000 when they say if we pay 5,000. Right? Or any number what them say we pay. You understand? Always pay. So it's really a guideline. So when people are focused on and say, boy, this is all me can get my minimum wage. What me can go buy? First thing, you must uplift your blasted self from getting a low wage. That is the first thing. And you can't blame no government for that, especially now. Yesterday, me hear a lady, 51-year-old, she has second degree now, she a go for associate degree down her art. Second. Right? So, the first thing, we wipe out that worry about, boy, people only get minimum wage. It can't happen. Right? But you can lift up yourself out that, but really and truly, it's really a guideline. I don't pay minimum wage. You get higher than minimum wage.
And there's a small amount of the workforce that is actually earning minimum wage, a minuscule amount. Yeah, I agree with Nivi that this facade about minimum wage is just that. It's just a talking point because under the People's National Party government, as I said, their minimum wage was $6,500. So even though the cost of goods and services was going up during that time, they did not create an economy that they could increase the minimum wage. Right? And Andrew, let me say this to you.
I remind them too, say it's not the government paying the minimum wage per se. And the public of people who they work with them have to pay too. They must remember that.
And if the government get up tomorrow morning and say minimum wage at $20,000, you know how much of the little people them will get them little side hustle that be out of a job? Raising minimum wage is a sign of strength in our economy. Yeah, Andrew, so anything you hear them with them for, they say you can't rubbish them. Anything you hear and you want clarity, you can come over here and ask. Anything you hear and you want some clarity, you can come over here and ask. We clarify it for you. But raising the minimum wage is a sign of strength in our economy. The government can do that. We can raise the minimum wage and we can raise public sector salary. And by raising public sector salary, we have also forced an increase in private sector salary. Our economy is doing far better. Joyce said, all the teachers are going overseas to work. No, Joyce, all the teachers are not going overseas to work. That is misinformation. That is a blatant lie. All the teachers are not going overseas to work. Ask the next question. That is a blatant lie. Some teachers get the opportunity to go overseas, and I applaud them. If you get the opportunity, take it. It's an opportunity.
And the reason them go overseas is because those who are overseas, like in America, gone somewhere else too.
Gone somewhere else. And leave it. I keep saying this to people, you know. I say last year or this year, the American school system said them short over 300,000 teachers. It's not because them build new school in Navy. It's because teachers in America who live there think say the salary for teachers in America is too small. Yeah. So Jamaican teachers is leaving what they call a low-paying job to go take up what Americans call a low-paying job.
Can I ask something? What if we train our teachers and train them with the ability for them to go on the international scene and work? Is something wrong with that?
Not a thing. Our nurses, our emergency room nurses are sort of worldwide because of the level of training them get here. Yeah. Our teachers are sought after because we are an English-speaking country and we're close to them people, and we have a very good teachers teaching course out there, and people gravitate to a teacher because they are good at their jobs. A teacher getting a chance to go overseas there's nothing wrong with it. Because guess what? We graduate almost 2,000 teachers every year into the system. Michael, Chartwood, Sam Sharp, and all the other colleges that give teaching course, between them, we graduate nearly 2,000 teachers every single year.
It is so basic.
Very basic.
And the world over, people are gonna move around to work. You don't like if you don't like can contain some of your special brains. We bring up your country.
We would love if we could do that.
Yeah. What is like a local job, virgin, where if you are working in one facility and you're such an expert or a genius. All a genius, one company go one double them up to make them company grow. I say it work.
Like Nigel Clark.
Like Nigel, exactly.
Yes. Right, like Nigel. They look on, they saw the genius of Nigel and made an offer. That there's nothing wrong with the teachers and nurses, sorry, who get the opportunity and take it.
Which is right.
It can only mean better for them and them family, and better for Jamaica.
And Chuck, if we're not careful, then go gobble up for a PM, you know.
That boy possibly too.
Yeah.
That Nigel, I mean, Warmington, they say if Mark want to be Prime Minister, he must go back over because England can't find one good one. England soon make and draw half at you know. Because I don't think they want Mark. England probably soon make him an offer.
You would expect Mark for do the same thing what Mark father used to do for England.
Me believe him still do it.
Yeah. We not tell them, make them go find out what.
I believe he's still doing it.
It's highly possible.
Remember, you know, in England, you know, certain titles are passed down, you know.
Yeah.
Yes, in England, certain titles are passed down from father to son.
Hey, Chuck, I don't really want to believe about it still, but you remember when the prince went come here and Massa go one side, go whisper in that prince ears? Okay. I wonder why when got, if I was a fly on the wall with that ear,
He probably got give him an update on in progress.
They either come from Coventry and him under one scheme where him do or whatever.
He got give him an update. It's an update on in progress he got give him.
Yeah.
Go tell him that the takeover is almost complete.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. He got tell him that the takeover is almost complete. Just give me a couple more years and me take them back in the
Hey Chuck, the boss said we talk a little bit about those people over that time here because them in our league. See?
We not in no competition with them, the boss.
No competition.
No competition.
We are run a country. Them not know about that part there. As my girl said, no man, my girl Currency said them for go down a Suarez circus, but seek employment because them a bag of clown.
Yes, Currency did send them down there. Currency take them out of the museum and go put them on parade down at the circus.
Yeah. And that's true, you know. Sorry, see that for true, you know. Last night we actually left out of town, you know. A roadblock because of sorry, so I think of them convention I keep over there. So. Yeah.
Somebody made a post on TikTok yesterday. I'm saying I can find it and read it. The person said, for all the people them who sit down on sidelines and say, open discussion, mute your mind.
Yes, sir, me come, give me a minute, sorry, sir.
They say, for all, wait, post, I need to find it and read, because it was a very good post they make, you know. For all the persons sitting on sideline who say, them now, wait there, them now vote, because them not see nothing to vote for. The person said that is now a blatant lie. Because the Jamaica Labour Party has earned the vote of every Jamaican.
They don't have any excuse now.
No excuse.
No excuse at all.
Hey Chuck, just to address something we just hear you say a while ago, say England might want him. Remember said they waiting just offer the man for come speak with them, you know. The three summit the man for come talking and the English, one of them are the English summit, you know.
See that, so them already start to recruit him.
That's what I'm saying, because them are saying if they come talk for sure the rest of the world how he bounce back from where the country was, how he bounce back. United Nations asked him to come speak. The one them call at the summit, like them say 20th summit, the 7th summit, and the English.
G7.
Yeah. So who knows?
Oh yeah, man. If them ever make him an offer, man.
Remember during COVID, you know.
Bernice Campbell. Bernice will unmute him mic and say something.
Boy, I'm listening and I want thing I have to tell them with the business, how that? When the business over recruit him, he can't left.
No, man, Andrew not left, man. Andrew plans out for Jamaica.
He cannot leave.
Andrew plans out for Jamaica. If you listen to... Listen to what? Huh? Bernice Campbell, you send back your request again. I just stopped it because I was calling out here and not hearing from you. Bernice?
Hi, I live in Canada.
Oh, good, a Canadian. Welcome.
Well, I'm Jamaican, but I live in Canada. Okay, what I want to say regarding the minimum wage. Minimum wage is everywhere. Okay, it's just a guideline.
Just a guideline, Bernie.
It's just a guideline, you know, and if you're educated, you never work minimum wage.
There you go.
Minimum wage is just a guideline. Say, for instance, if you go overseas to work as a nanny, okay? That's a guideline, so the person who hire you as a nanny would know not to pay you less than that amount. But minimum wages is not for professional people. It's not a guideline for professional persons.
Right.
And I know this is a different topic, but I live in Canada. And one thing I want to tell you guys in Jamaica is that a lot of the things that the government is doing is not publicized enough.
Boy, Bernice, you not even know the half of that part of it there.
The reason why I'm saying this is because my mom is in Jamaica. She's 92. And I went online and I look up, you know, like the benefits that they have in Jamaica now regarding like drug plan, where you can get some help, you know, with diagnostic imaging and all of this kind of thing. And I was telling my cousin in Jamaica that is looking after my mom that she has some coverage. And she was telling me that she's not aware of that. So when I read up, when I go online and I look up for it, and I read up on it, there's a lot of benefits, you know, and I don't understand Jamaican people really. Because when I look on what is happening now and what happened many years ago, they cannot be compared.
Cannot.
It cannot be compared with what is happening now in Jamaica. People never get pension. Whole people never get nothing. Unless you work and paid into a company pension, when you retire, you never get nothing. Zero.
Zero.
You know, and I remember when the PNP was in power, okay? Many years ago, because I live in Canada many years. I remember when my father has to put cane and this thing that they press on so that we could have tea. Because when, I think it was Mandela was in power, when he said Jamaica have to depend on itself,
yes,
there was all the schools they have to close down. There was nothing to eat. There was no sugar, no oil. All the shops they have to close down. I remember that. And I don't understand where Jamaica is now. Jamaica is competing with you know, like country like Canada and other country. We never have this kind of thing in Jamaica before. Jamaica is modernized with everything like roads and, you know, the internet, everything.
Master, Bernice, these are the things I speak on every day. And when I tell people about those times when you just speak of in the 70s and the Monday, lots of people think I am telling a lie or I'm just being political. So to hear you come up here now and repeat it, make some people will understand. So when I speak of them, I am not lying.
Chuck, I want to add something. I want to add something to Miss Bernie's argument. Right? The 70s issue in Cuba is happening, affecting them today.
Yes.
Yeah.
Today, where they see them don't have light, them have no gas in the country, all that type of stuff. So suppose we did follow Manley.
I don't know what would have happened. I mean, it was, I tell you, it was terrible. It was very bad. No, kids couldn't go to school. They have nothing to eat.
And I don't understand, like, even the houses that people are getting now. Look at the houses that people are getting now. Back in the days, you get a little board house, you have to go build up toilet out the door and all of this kind of thing. What is wrong with us? I don't understand. Jamaican people, I don't understand.
But I wish I could explain it to you, Miss Bernice. But I honestly I ask the same question every day. What's wrong? What is wrong?
Blessings, everybody.
Contra entry, another cash, 166. You have to pay attention to the people.
Mr. Henry, when I hear your background noise, come back up when you finish. Dark shades.
Big up yourself, Mr. Finley.
Let me check if Miss Bernice. Miss Bernice, you finish?
Yeah, because, you know, I really, you know, what I'm saying, and this is what I want to bring forward, is that, you know, I think that, you know, there should be more advertisement of what the government is doing. Because I think a lot of people, remember, you know, there's a lot of people in Jamaica who can't read it. They're illiterate. And those are the people that, you know, I think need to know what is happening. Because some of them, they're in the country, you know, they're not aware. They don't have TV, they don't have radio, they're not aware of what is happening.
But Ms. Bernice, I will tell you this. We are now in the information age.
Yes.
And lots of these people you see and hear, and they're on social media, they're on TikTok, they're on every social media platform doing everything but informing themselves. Right? Just like how you, Ms. Bernice, can stay in Canada and go online and find the benefits that is available in Jamaica. You have lots of people in Jamaica itself who is sitting down every day and pretend to be ignorant of everything that is happening when the information is available. We, myself and my fellow bloggers, are here every day reading out all of these programs that the government have to offer. Yes, this is a political platform. Yes, I do speak on Labour Party, but there are times when we sit here every day, Ms. Bernice, and we give people information about government programs. But people have a tendency to believe the notion rather than try to find out things for themselves, rather than try their best to put in some work and get information. But more government information is available to people today through more portals than any other time in Jamaica.
Yeah, that's true. That's true. I think that if people want to know, they will find out.
They will know, Miss Bernice. That is it. If people are interested in getting the right information, and I tell you, well, I tell people this every day. A friend of mine that live up in Mark Golden constituency ended up in the hospital, needed an operation, and his family wanted to start a GoFundMe to do it. And I have to tell him, no, don't bother with that foolishness. The government has a program that will give you up to $1 million to do any operation you need to do. And remember, this man was put in there by Mark Golden himself, and Mark Golden himself will not tell him about the program. Them friend Dr. Das never tell him about the program. I had to tell him about it.
That's what I'm saying. You see, people are, I don't know why, I don't know. People just, I don't know. But, you know, I'm saying that, you know, everything that the government has done so far, you know, to uplift Jamaica and to uplift Jamaican people, you know, if they put this, whatever his name is, in there, you know, everything is going to come back down to where it was before.
Yes,
because remember,
and that's what we are fighting to prevent.
Yes, because remember, even the kids that go into school, remember when the PMP was in power, remember the kids, they have to pay when they start basic school. They have to pay.
Hey, good evening.
Good evening, Classic.
Good evening. Just want to say something quick. Something me remember. When the Prime Minister announced that he's going to give back a $20,000 tax return to people earning $3 million and below. Who remember when Mark Golding said, no, put it on the wall of we pay. Me I earn 25 million a year. So put it on my pay too. So make me benefit from it. Mark Golding want ensure same scrape every single cent where the government a give back. Him not see the need for ensure say the so-called people them want care about the poor people. Him not want them to benefit. Him have to benefit too. The highest paid politician on this land wanted the 20K just the same. Him want a tax return.
Yeah, man, in this, put it on the salary and spread it across.
But him not qualify. But him not qualify. Him fall outside of the threshold. So when I talk a garbage.
No, he
wanted to be qualified. He said put it on every single person's pay. Make me get some of it too.
And the misinformed PNP them make nice and beat this, don't it?
Exactly.
You
just as how two him a political commentator and Julian Robinson said, boy, the reduction on the electricity GCT from 15% to 7% won't benefit all customers. It's the ones who are paying a lot of money on their bill already will benefit.
And that 300 kilowatt hours.
But may I say to myself, well, at least you are benefit. You, Julian Robinson, are benefit. You and your Tapanaris, them are going to benefit. But every dollar matters, you know.
I think what you need to understand is that they are in opposition, you know. So what they are going to do is that they're going to try to downplay any form of positive notion that takes place within the country. Remember that they are their opponents, so they will do that. You understand? We know as a people have to understand that whatever is being done, it is beneficiary, no matter what the situation is, right?
That's
so
true.
if a person is being has the opportunity to benefit from this situation that the government has brought forward, if the person's on a few hundred kilowatts won't be paying any GCT, that's good. That's already good. You understand? This is something new that is being proposed now. So as me, a middle class earner, right? I am always getting bills above 300 kilowatt. I benefit. And a lot of Jamaicans will benefit. Hundreds of thousands of Jamaicans will benefit. So what they will do is that anytime something positive is portrayed or put forward, they will try to come with the negative. Yeah, man, they will try to come with that negative notion.
Let me get explain. Let me get explain to us still.
Hold on, before you go there.
Okay.
But Chuck, why you couldn't tell me, sir? Because I talking point right now, you know. See, Mark Golding won the 1% in a JPS. That's why him now want certain changes to take place.
Well, I will tell you this, you know. Classic.
When you're driving a taxi and bus and sitting at that they matter about, you know?
I don't put it past inside them on it, you know.
No, but government no 19.5%.
Yeah,
90.
Listen.
1% missing. Mark Golding won that, man.
Chuck, you don't know who own the 1%.
Mark Golding.
I know a senior man them, you don't know who own the 1%. And I'm Mark Golding.
So now I tell us time, man.
I don't think I would have Golding. I don't think the one from the east. The one from the east.
Point, man.
Classic, unless it has been sold to him.
Politics, you know, my friend.
No, classic. Well, I know. Remember,
point, Mark Golding won 1%. You don't get it, man.
Classic. Well, I know. Remember that a long time. That 1% there, there's somewhere now.
Let me circle it this way.
Yeah.
Let me circle it this way, guys. That 1%, well, I'm going to let you back. Give me a second. That 1% is owned by either Marky G, Peter, Palwell, or Omar.
No, man, no, you left out the top man.
Which one?
Mark Golding a top man, brother.
No.
Virgin, you hear me, sir, man?
Top man. No, man, the old top man.
Just work with that now, man.
Classic, who sell JPS?
Oi,
me call him
brother.
Mr. PJ.
Brother, You know,
Okay, me never hear, sorry.
Mark Golden are in a party, brother. Talking point. Mark Golden won 1% in a JPS.
All right, sir, I will go with that. I believe classic. Hold on, let me hear from Darker Shade. Go ahead. Hold on, let me hear Vassal. Kadujan want a box. Sir Vassal?
Yes, man, me there. Greetings, everybody. Boy, me still recuperate from yesterday. And yesterday I was saying to some PNP that I'm looking forward to today, because knowing PNP full well and knowing the propaganda that they'll be coming with today, I am surprised that I am not seeing as much propaganda today. They are waiting on.
It come from HQ first.
Yes, I think they're waiting on their playbook from HQ. But on lives and all of that, I see PNP talking about time come. And I think going forward, we should also adapt that message, time come. But time come for what? We should start.
We have been asking that since them coined that phrase, you know.
No, man, but you see, me I go put it even bit further now, Chuck. We should start to say time come for the PNP to tell us what better they can do than what the JLP party is doing now. Time come for the 14 PNP MP tell the country what they are doing in their constituency. Time come for the PNP to apologize to Jamaica for the 22 years of mismanagement. Time come for the PNP to tell Jamaica why is it just now they are seeing what can be done and what should be done and what could have been done. Every day they get up, time come. So it's time for us now to ask them. Time come to tell us one plan. Because it's all good and lovely to sit down on the sidelines. And the people, because in sports, you know, the best man we play football. And the man who's on the sideline. Know everything.
Yeah, man, yes.
And the best
Everybody
player.
can coach and play when they're on the sideline, but when they put them in,
everybody can play.
but when they put them in a different thing.
Put them on the field now.
Yeah, but on a different note, remember, son, everybody can manage, you know. We have to remember that part there, you know.
But that
everybody can manage. Me have a company and me run it well. Me give a next man for run it in a ground.
But if you can manage, shut your mouth.
No, but you go want to, you go try get it. Remember, you know, they are their opponents. So they are going to try everything to get it.
What
but
do you want to do?
It doesn't mean that they can manage.
All right. But listen now. But that's why I said to you, know, the best football player, they wanted to on the sideline. Put them on the field and you see how you
No, Pastor. No, we don't want them on the field, brother. No. The best player.
Pastor, just give an example. So if you put them on the field, as good as they mean on the sideline, when you put them on the field, them turn idiot.
Yeah, man. Because
you get up on the sideline, you can't talk anything.
You can't talk anything. Because there's no consequences to what you say when you're on the sideline.
Which is right.
There's only consequences when you're in the game.
Let me just jump in back here, sir, right? So me just 1 second what Classic did I say. And by the way, when the JPS contract was being signed by Paul, well, them Mark Golden was instrumental in that also. Seeing he was an advisor to them, to all of them at that time. And that 1% is definitely in Mark Golden's pocket. 100%.
But Duja, remember, you know, he was a key advisor at the time of the original sale too, you know.
Exactly.
Right. So these are, I am going to lead an access to information request for that information.
You know, I'll get it.
JPS is a publicly traded company. It has to be made available. Unless, of course, it is hidden. Them can hide in about 10 different trusts.
Shiny hidden because it top brass of the PNP hid it. But Mark Gold is the majority shareholder.
Them hide them in a trust, you know. Them hide them in a trust, you know. They hide them in a trust fund.
All shareholders should be made public if you ask for it. There's no public-private partnership between shareholders. So if you need that, there's certain information that if you request it from government ministries, you will get information that you need. You know?
Chuck, I want to say something before anybody else jump in real quick. All right, Chuck, here what I don't know if you noticed this thing here, right? Yesterday was the conference, the JLP conference. Big, pretty and nice, man. I like it color green and pretty is a shame, man. Look like, you know, like them pasta there, where you want to send your animal them and go graze, and then get big and fat and fluffy. Yeah, I saw the place look nice and pretty, man. Anyway, what is the difference? Because me on the social media and the entity, and I'm seeing a difference between both conferences. The difference I am seeing, I don't know if anybody has seen it, is a level of what would I say, intelligence driving this JLP conference.
Properly organized.
Yeah, man, there was a lot of intelligence as it relates to it. That when it's a blast, all of them social media vloggers, them are post what happened at the JLP conference. Nothing negative. You can't see. A pure way forward, pure decency, pure what would I say? Things that you look forward to.
Messaging.
Yes, man. But you look on the other conference back in the time when they keep it. You see the difference. I don't need to go in too much talking.
Yeah, man, the JLP conference was it was a quiet atmosphere. People could soak up the message, and everybody, look on social media, as you say, everybody is speaking about the message that came out at the conference. And that is a far different than what happened the day after the PMP conference.
Well, may I follow conference from 1988 after Gilbert, and I can tell you this. I the best organized conference me ever see.
Most decent me ever see, one love.
It was organized. Properly organized. They were on key. They were on point.
And even the segment, you can say they have a female segment different from
regular segment.
The general thing.
The Jamaica Labour Party has always been the leader in females in politics, you know. The Jamaica Labour Party has always led that charge. We were the first party to elect a female representative in the House. Right? So we always lead that charge.
Party is very innovative, man.
Very.
But Chuck and others, I want to ask one question. One question only. At the other people conference, and whomever listened to it or whomever spoke about it or either any other political commentators, what did people take away from that conference?
Vassal, the night of the conference, from the night of the PMP conference, September 15, I have asked a prominent PMP blogger to tell me something that the leader said at the conference. And up to this day, that question cannot be answered. Classic. All of us have been asking that very same question, and we cannot get an answer.
But Chuck, that was a mess. That's the that's what I was putting up. The point I was putting across, you know. This conference yesterday, you got everything from it. As you say, it was messaging. It showed levels of intelligence. It showed that the government had plans, and plans are in place. They also could speak of all the achievements that they have made over the period of time that they are in Parliament.
But
right?
I'm going to give you.
What we get from the other side?
I'm going to give you.
May I ask some question? May I ask some question from the other side now?
Good evening, Labour
May I
Rights.
ask some question from?
Good evening,
Good evening. May I ask some question? May I ask some question from earlier this year?
I just want to chime in. Because I'm in traffic.
Hold on. We have to have one at a time, guys. Please.
Right.
Give Mark a chance.
Yeah. Good evening. Good to be on the platform again. And I'm in traffic, so I won't stay long. But as I can concur with everybody, it was a very well organized and strategic conference in the sense that each speaker was given an area to cover. So nobody went up there and overlapped. Nobody went up there rambling. They all had their notes, whether it on paper or on their smart device. They were on point. So all the speakers preceding the Prime Minister, they came and they spoke of the achievements of the party, of the government. Chairman Montague came up. He did the same thing, but he also let the workers and delegates and members and the poor class of people know that the Prime Minister is listening to them, the government is listening, the party is listening, and then the Prime Minister came now with the icing on the cake and just shared with the listening public. Notice the speech never go for about more than maybe 35 minutes to 40 minutes. Wasn't one of those long, dragged out, on and on rambling speeches. It was on point. It came with a bag of goodies that will be unleashed on those that are in need of it. And what we need to do now, because whether we believe it or not, and I tell people all the while, shower, ringing bells and crowd don't win election. What we need to do now is to hit the ground running with all that we heard yesterday, and just reiterate all of that so that the people can buy in, because we don't have enough time. They have been grumbling and rambling along, cussing and carrying on for too long now. We don't have enough time. So we have to hit the ground running now so they can go in, they can buy into the promises made yesterday and give us a third term, because that's what we need now. What we need now, Jamaicans vote,
And I don't like when they use the term promises. I don't like the term promises.
Well, commitment, because there are promises and commitments that will be delivered over time. But what I'm saying, Jamaicans have a short level of tolerance in recent times. They have a short fuse when it comes on to political parties now. So as much as the other side,
I don't like Jamaicans. It's the world. The world is anti-government at this time. I think for some reason there has been a major shift.
For various reasons, but I want to zero in for various reasons, because I want to zero in on Jamaica, right? Because you look across the world, a lot of things happening, but where Jamaicans are concerned, as much as the other side was given 18 years. Nobody have that luxury again. And if you're not delivering, let us just sit down, let us go and try something, whether it work or not. Right now, the other side, they have nothing, absolutely nothing to counter what was presented yesterday. They have absolutely nothing to counter the achievements and accomplishments of the Jamaica Labour Party. They can't counter. They can't counter it. Because all that we're doing, one second, what we have done so far, everything is unprecedented. Everything is a first. So they can't come with anything to do that. But what we have to do now is to ensure that we convince the voting public, we convince the undecided, we convince every Labourite that when the date is announced, when school call, we go in and mark the register. That's what we need. That's what we need. And right now, we're in crunch time. Crunch time. So we have to hit on, we have to knock on every door, every window, every gate, friend back every labor right, friend get the undecided to buy into what the Prime Minister said yesterday so that they can really give us a third term, because if we don't get the third term, the country is going backward, because what? The other side gonna go in and just put a stop to all that we have been achieving so far. So those are my words. I want every labor right now to get on the campaign trail and be an ambassador for the Jamaica Labour Party, because that is where we're at right now. We need every vote, every labor right. Thank you.
I don't want you to go further than that and make me totally forget. No, me a couple man talk about third term. No, me not talk about no third term as a dieted labor right. From me born, I am a believer of the gospel, but the Bible teach me to vote for my country and vote for what is right. Me no want no third term, me want fourth, fifth, sixth term. Because these people are fit them lifestyle, me no in none at all. Me grew up in a PNP house, and my mother labor right. But when me see in a PNP house as some corrupt lifestyle, I still see it going in the world. So when me want to hear my labor right friend them attack, me don't want them to have no third term. Andrew is the man for run this country and is the best man for run this country right now. My 2 youth are grow. And my 2 youth them I think about. I'm 19 years. 19
one term at a time. One term at a time. Take it one by one.
I agree with you, boss. But you have to put it in. You have to put it in the brain them now. So listen me. What we are look for and one next third term. We are look for fourth and fifth.
When they see what we do with the second term, and they are convinced that we deserve a third term, when we deliver in the third term, they'll be convinced again to give us a fourth, and that's how you have to just keep it going, one term at a time.
There's another thing that I hear. I remember the gentleman said it earlier. I talk about, because I really have a surgery for doing a really critical surgery. I would like to get help, because up to them is still in bank. I try to struggle to get a loan, and I'm a taxpayer. I pay tax, and would I like to get the service or something like that really there. Because I don't know much. I just work all the day in my life, and I don't know much about the giving part. The 20,000 I know about.
Send me a DM. Moffat send me a DM.
Okay, yes.
Or send Philippians.
No, go ahead. Send Lashika. She can. I'm kind of sick now, Lashika, so you can help him out.
I have a brain tumor that I'm supposed to go to Cuba. Anytime I know, can I get the report from Cuba to come in. I'm supposed to find $3 million to go to Cuba.
You can get some money from the government for that. There's a compassionate grant being offered. So you can get some help. You have to get a letter from your doctor.
I have that letter already. Miss Malawi can't give me a link. She's not aware of it yet. But may I try
So you're in the process of getting it done.
Try to get to her. As soon as she come give me, can show her the things. I may have everything ready.
Oh yeah, when she comes, she will guide you what to do. And if she not come, you go to her office.
Yeah. Oh. Another thing. Really, we Jamaican are suffering with this JPS business. We're getting some light bill that really need to correct. I don't know who owns JPS. I'm not interested who won it, but I'd like the government to really deal with this part. I'm going to talk to Ms. Mallow when she come here. But listen, we really have to do everything in our power to keep this party out. We can't make them coming back. I may have 4 people in my house. I mean, my wife will talk about no vote, but I know me control my house. I control my youth. And my mother-in-law were there till they brought me go fear if you vote. So I have a couple people and a couple people work with me. We are covered and we are going to vote. So we now watch the crowd we follow them orange people there, you know. And who was them a bigger crowd. When it come to voting time, I vote me I deal it. I mean we carry people if we go vote, And that me depend on the labor right friend.
That is good to know. everybody chin, everybody needs to come out and go vote.
Me just want to get this thing up because when it comes to the campaigning time, because I can't shout and I can't talk loud and all these things, I keep myself to myself. I remember if anybody was going to my the game yesterday. You know.
And see if you can get everybody in your family to vote and your neighbor, talk to your neighbor about the accomplishments, the achievements. Yeah, reason with them, no argument, no fight, just reason with them, compare what it was like then and what it is like now. Right?
Yeah, man.
Just talk to people.
Oh, no fear, man. Labor right have this, man. I tell you that. I'm confident. I mean, no fear, no doubt. Labor right have this. We have this, and we not have to buy it, and we not have to do nothing illegal. We have this because we not fool. I mean, once I talk about say some people are dunce. Listen to me, not take Jamaican people for idiot. People see and know what I want and see betterment. Because what me see right now, me never see it in the history. A 52-year-old, me never see it yet. Roger Clark went talk about progress and take one phone and call our next one and say this is progress. That is no progress. What me have now, in a them the time they were in a poor, me want 2024 iPhone Ultra. Samsung Ultra. Me never have them then at time. A bang me have. Me live 3 times better under this government here. Than for them time. Them can't tell me nothing. Me achieve more. Me not say labor do me work for you know, but me have better in a this under this government here. Than in for them time. Me grow up at Brownstown, Wilberforce, in a PNP house. I mean, me not go in the details and tell you. This government.
Yo, Chuck. Once,
we
more
don't have nothing to worry about.
Chuck,
you
see yesterday?
Nothing to worry about none of my time.
Listen, I said, Chuck.
Mark Nation.
More fat, hold on there.
Mark Nation. You know, say if you
learn
to
yeah.
discipline, you know, you must
baby.
You know, you must learn to be disciplined. No, you must learn.
All right,
to
last
come
Shika.
And the life.
No, I saw more as a tone.
Yeah, but you have to wait.
Yeah.
Mute your mic and wait.
All right, baby, sorry about that. No, I say something to you now. 1 second. You know me, Prime Minister say yesterday, me out there, me listen. You say some 18-year-old can get a pension or something.
That's
something
pension.
like my 18-year-old from the NIS, something. Or what? Me don't know. I say, wait, that's so much thing the Prime Minister really do. For I want to say, no booze and no blood. The message, we are listening. All of the rain we there. Yesterday we are listening. Nobody no moving at the rain. Nobody no move. For there's nowhere to go. And remember, love, when them done talking arena and come outside, come address the crowd. I first me see that. First in our lifetime, brother and sisters. First, me ever see me say, wait. As well, Markland did I say a little while, Markland said, everybody come and pint. I'm saying that was good. And that me have to say too, no. Along to the young one in our world, I said, great job, bro, God. Great job. For Mr. Prime Minister come talk when they don't talk in arena, come talk outside. And that me have to say too, no. It was good, brother and sister, so we can jump up back and live. Trust me, it was lit. Okay. Believe me.
You were there.
You Philippian, yeah? You want to saw me reach now, Philippian? Me forgot Portmore, you know. Me that Santa Cruz stuck, you know.
Okay.
Well, I know. Philippian, me that Santa Cruz, right? And me want to come in. Well, I know. Me that Santa Cruz, you know. And me want to come in, you know, for me up on the road, you know, for sell, you know, my boss drop me up, say, now come up same time. And them look away, but me say, go take a Dr. Sole Ganzi and just jump and come off of Akiwaka Pumore so. I need to take off my pants from my man for the night before. I'm going to put on the Ganzi conference, here I come. It couldn't miss me. It couldn't miss me. It couldn't miss me. Trust me.
I love that, bro. You did it.
Yeah. And when I slowly Ganzi, me have on. When I the labor bus me jump on. I blend with the country people, them boys.